Got here today for the first day of the month. Who we got here? Who we got? Oh, Louis G's in the house. George VDM is in the house. Sergio TT Banks Santos. Oh my God. Mod Squad is here. George VDM is in the house. George VDM is here, wrenched up. LeGrand is in the building. What up, LeGrand? What up, Storm Player? Rob Trades is here. What up, Rob Trades? What's good, everyone? What's good, Jersey? What's good? What's up? What up, DT Gamer? What up, Noah? What's good, everybody? Welcome in. Welcome in. Perez in the house. What up, Perez? Bink, bink, bink. What up, Joseph? What up, Ricardo? Ewan in the building. What up, Ewan? What up, PM Magnifico? Grind Time Mufasa's in the house. What up, brother? What up, Ace One? Ace One's here. Buzz Blab's in the building. What up, Buzz Blab? What up, 11th Hour? There we go. 11th Hour. Crypto Madden's in the building today. Let's get Crypto Madden. That guy TK is here bright and early. Let's go. TK's in the house. Mod Squad in the building. GG is here bright and early. What up, GG? Hero of the day. Let's get it. Bring out the whole coffee. Hey, you gotta love Hero of the Day, man. I see you, Hero of the Day. What up, AJ? What's good? Mode Club Nights. How you doing on that 50K challenge, my friend? What up, Marcus? What's good? What's good? Hey, W's in the chat if you guys are excited to be here. If you guys can, give the stream a like after you hit a W in the chat. We're going to get started here in 2 minutes. Just got to open Zoom up here. And we are recording.
Recording in progress.
All right, recording in progress. Fantastic. Fantastic news. That one guy's in the building. Holy. Alfonso is good. All right. Oh, yeah, look, I love this. More and more people want us to pray. Hallelujah. Whew. Man, I had an encounter with Jesus this morning, gang. I'll tell you guys about it later. I'm still, in a way, trembling. Whew. Wow. All right. Whew. Just lost track of my thought. All right, let me send the Zoom link out here, and we'll get everything started. Guys, if you're not in our free Discord, you can join our free Discord. Absolutely popping in this building, man. You guys got to come in here. If you guys are lonely traders during the Asian or London, or you're just looking for people who are like-minded that you could actually talk to about your dreams and goals, this is the spot, man. This is the Discord, Time to Eat Discord. Link should be in the chat any moment now. And you're welcome here. You're welcome here. We want to hear about your story. We want to help you in any way that we can. And that's why we're here, and that's what we do. So we'll talk more about the Discord in a little bit. Let me send the Zoom link out and share my screen. And I think we're ready to roll. Yeah. All right, cool. Zoom link is out. Let me share my screen, and hey, what up everyone in Zoom? All right, we're good. Let me pull my chat up over here, and I'm gonna move this to the top for now. Yeah, top. Bring my tools out, and it's go time, baby. Yeah, it's a new month. Hey, welcome in everyone. It's a brand new month. It's a brand new day. We are ready to get started here, and I think, yeah, Zoom's good. What up? Good morning, Joseph. Zoom chat's good. And, yeah, we're ready to go, man. February. Let's turn up the heat. It's time to cook. Time to cook. All right, let me just move these over here, and then we'll settle in here. Cool. All right. Welcome in, everyone. Welcome in. If you guys can give the stream a like here. It is a new day. We're going to pray before we get started, and then we're going to get rolling. So let's pray here. Father in heaven, Lord, we thank you, Lord. We thank you for a new day. Just like the song says, man, we just thank you for your overwhelming, never-ending, reckless love, Lord, that chases us down, fights till we're found, Lord. You'd leave the 99 for the one, Lord. I thank you for doing that for me many years ago. I thank you for doing that here today, Lord. Your word still stands today like it did then, Lord. So I thank you for finding the one here today, whether they're in the stream now or whether they're coming in later. I pray that you would speak, Lord, through me or through somebody in the chat, that would alert that 91, that you love them, that you care for them, that you have a plan for their life, Lord. I know I'm speaking to someone here today, but I thank you that you pour blessing upon all of us, Lord. I thank you for a new month. I ask that you go before us and make this path straight for us, Lord. We thank you. We give you all the glory for your blessings. In Jesus' name, amen. 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 Let's eat. Let's eat. Go forth and multiply. That's what I hear. It's time to multiply. No more adding, no more subtracting. It's multiplication time. Let's run it. Let's run it. Yeah, amen's in the chat. Amen's in the chat. Let's go, let's go. All right, let's get started, y'all. The harvest is right, my friend. That's right. Morning, Dino. Morning, everyone. All right, let's do it. Cool. So let's get into it here, chat. We had a FOMC come out yesterday. Had a pretty interesting day. Great morning here for us yesterday on the board. Let me just lower this music a little bit. Yeah. Let's I gotta switch up the record too for the month, but let's get started. We'll do that in a second. Today is the first day of February. It is Thursday, right? So we're on the tail end of the week here today, and we have unemployment claims coming out for the US dollar. So we'll see how all that goes. That's pretty much our only red folder up until PMI a little bit later on in the session. So all we really have to do is keep an eye out for this news here right around 8:30, and you know, we can kind of move about our business around 8:30, maybe a little bit before, maybe a little after. So that's what we got going on for today. And then tomorrow is Friday. We do end the week. It is obviously the first Friday of the month. Therefore, there is NFP, non-farm payroll, coming out. You got unemployment rates, and you got this other red folder here, which is the consumer sentiment. So a lot of news, a lot of US dollar news here tomorrow for gold and for Nas100. So you should have volatile markets here. I'm telling you, as we continue on and move into February, we're done with January here. It was a great month. I think, what are we, 7 and 3? 7 and 3. But most importantly, how many trades that? We got 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 trades on the board. Every one of them was an A+ setup. So that's the most important thing here, is that we're following the rules, we're following the plan, and we are not deviating, right? We're not deviating. Don't worry about the numbers in a month. Don't worry about the numbers in the quarter. It's all about the year end, right? I'm always long-term focused. I'm always thinking about the long game, right? So great month here, way to get on the board. And we move on to February. So last February we had a great month as well, and we'll come on down and see if we can get on the board here early in February. So anyway, so back to the news. So that's what we got going on here today and tomorrow. And yeah, I think it's good. I think we're ready to dive into the charts. Let me clean these glasses real quick, and while I do that, if you guys can like the stream, that'd be fantastic. If you guys have not subbed to the channel, I'm telling you, you're gonna want to do that. You are going to want to do that, my friend. We are here every day, Monday through Friday. Anytime you possibly can, you're going to want to be here. All right, cool. I think we're good. You guys like the stream? I'm not going to check the stream. I'm just going to go right into the breakdown. All right. I'm trusting y'all though. I'm trusting that you guys have liked the stream. All right, let's go. Let's talk about it, man. So let's open up gold here. It is 7:08 a.m. here. So we are in pre-New York, and let's talk about what we got going on. So we do have a new monthly candle here, as you guys can see. Brand new monthly candle right here. So we've just opened up. We've got 28 days, 29 days really left in this monthly candle, and the previous candle did close bearish, right? So we did close bearish on the actual candle here itself, and that's good. That's good news, right? That's good news, because one thing we know is that this is gold, right? This is the all-time highs in which gold has traded in, right up here, right? Now, before this went down, these were the all-time highs right here, right? So you had this area in which price continued to reject over and over and over in the white box, right? Now, you can see those rejections very clearly if you just look, right? So you have one rejection here. You have another rejection here, right? And then you have your third rejection right there. Now, every time we rejected, we were able to move down, right? We rejected, move down. Same thing here. We rejected, but we began to struggle, right? And as we struggled, we created new support, right? And this support, let me, it's confusing y'all. And as we struggled, we created the support, right? So now that we had that support, you had a very, 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 very strong bullish candle here, right? Bullish candle closure. Now, this candle was the first candle that actually closed in the white box, right? So it didn't break the all-time highs yet, but what it did do was it closed above all this resistance to the left, right? Now you can see it a little bit clear. Closed through, and then what did the next candle do? It shot up, broke all these highs, but then immediately rejected. So if you guys remember a month ago, right, this candle opened up and immediately shot up. This didn't happen in days. This happened in like an hour. Who remembers that? Asian session, right? Happened in like an hour and then retraced the whole move, closed bullish, but now the next month, or that's 2 months ago, right? And then the next monthly candle here closed bearish yesterday. So we are still above this zone here, right? We're still above this all-time high resistance. So we can easily be just doing something like this for price to continue up, right? You get a closure below or closure right at the range, and then you get a brand new support, right, for price to continue moving up in March, right? March, April, fill a wick, and then potentially we go higher. So that's one scenario we're looking at here. The other scenario is we begin to drive back down, right? Like every other time that we came up here, we created resistance, right, to drive down. Let me use white. Resistance, drove down. Resistance, drove down. Resistance, drove down. So if we create this resistance, there's a high chance we can drive down, right? There's clean traffic coming back down towards like 1850. Will we get there? I don't know. If by the way things are looking, scenario number one seems a little bit more realistic to me, but we have to put all the scenarios into our mind so we can prepare for them. So that's what we got going on here on the monthly. So we did close bearish. I am bearish on the month. We should go ahead and fill that wick. We should also come down and retest this zone here, right? At least retest the zone. So that's what I can see here on the monthly. Let's head over to the weekly, see what we got going on here, and just keep that in mind, right? Daily, all the information we got, we keep in our mind, in the back of our mind, on the higher time frame. So now taking a look at the weekly, right? Weekly candles, or weekly candle is looking like it's trying to form a new support, right? So you have a very strong level of support right here, right? Very strong level of support. This candle, these candles came up. They made a resistance. They came down. They retested, right, with this wick right here. Retested that support, rejected it, and now looking to create a new support, right? A higher support. What does that mean? It's a higher low, right? It's the candles are coming up, making highs, making lows, making highs, but see how this low never closed below here. So very high chance now that we've already broken this wick, that this candle here closes pretty strong bullish in 2 days, and then we can continue the move up to make that monthly top wick. So that's what we got going on the weekly. The weekly does end in 2 days, but how are we going to play ball here today, right? What's the game for us here today? So daily did close bullish yesterday, so let's mark this off. So you have a very strong resistance on the daily time frame right here, right? Everyone see this very strong resistance. You also have a very strong support sitting right there. Above that is pretty clean, right? Pretty clean move coming up towards 2060. Now, one thing we're seeing here is that this candle is retesting the top of that zone here, right? You guys all see this zone right here? That candle is now retesting the top of that zone. So big closure here today for NFP, because if we close back in the range, right, that's not the greatest, right? But if we can close above and even close bullish, you should see a wick fill and then possibly that continuation, because this monthly candle may want to come up to create a steeper top wick, right? Steeper top wick on the monthly. It looks really big like that, but it's not massive, right? This is a monthly candle we're talking about here. It's got about 100 pip top wick on it, so it is good enough. We'll see if that will hold, but that's our bullish situation. If not, then the daily candles may run back down, right? May run back down towards these support levels down here and retest that zone there. So we'll see. It's pretty choppy here, but you have a nice clean range within this fresh price action here. So we did break the lows, so we can go up or down here today. We're gonna prepare for both of them. So let's go ahead and see what the 4 hours looking like here and get an idea. Wow, this 4 hour candle's bleeding, huh? Damn. Wow, what did we sell off here on gold recently? Oh, okay. All right, cool. So taking a look at the 4 hour, right? 4 hours bleeding. You have a major support level right here that we are tapping into. If you don't close below there, you're most likely going to reject, right? There's also no top wick on this 4 hour candle. So, you know, depends, right? If you close above this area, most likely either this candle will pull back and the next candle will make a top wick for it, or, you know, we'll just start continuing to head up here. So very important 4 hour candle here. It's blasting through all the chop for us, right? Below here is very clean move. This is not the greatest, right? You got support, 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 right? And then below here, you have a nice clean support that looks like it's, I don't know, 50 pips, maybe 40 pips. So let's go ahead and see what that looks like on the 1 hour. So 1 hour did give us a support level. So if we move it up a little bit, this is going to be the main support on the 1 hour time frame, right? So what did the 1 hour candle do? It tapped into it, it rejected it, and it closed bullish, right? Therefore, you may see a move back up, but I don't like the move back up until we get past this level right here. Let's go ahead and see what that looks like on the 30-minute time frame. So yeah, we could probably move it down a little bit, and what do you know? Price is creating a resistance right there, right in that area. Price is trying to create a resistance here. Now we are bullish. We can easily flip up and respect that low and close above. And if we do close above, not a bad move coming up, right? Not a bad move. You got clean candles. You should be good up until like 2037 for partials, which is probably, yeah, about a 31 pip move going up. And then you've got nice clean candles moving up towards 42 here. So let's go ahead and see what this looks like. I think we need to lower our support a little bit. What do we have below here? You got a nice clean 45 pip range, almost 50 pip range, and 80 pip range. So perfect. So looking to target these levels down here. These are both about 100 pip ranges towards the downside. So if we do get a closure below 2030, you're most likely going to see a move down towards like 2021 here. And if we do end up moving above 33, then, you know, you may see that move up. So you may see that 4 hour create its top wick, which is right here. So yeah, clean move up, pretty clean on gold here today. Nothing too crazy. 15-minute is doing this normal pre-New York consolidation after the move at 5 and 6. And now we wait. Now we just wait. Yeah, that's it. You know, you got choppy range here, right? Although you can't see much going on right here, right? Everything looks, hey, there's nothing going on. But if we look left, there's a lot going on here, right? There's a lot of blocks of rejection, blocks of consolidation. We don't really want to mess around in these ranges, right? We want to look for clean ranges that look like this, right? Clean move coming. Ranges that look like this, clean move, right? Clean candles. So that way our trade can flow properly. So yeah, that's the day here, man. That's the day. So gonna be pretty much staying away from this middle range here. It's gonna be a no trade range here for me today. This guy right here. Not gonna really mess around in this range, but anything above is pretty clean to go ahead and take our buys, or my buys, and then anything below is pretty clean for me as well to trade down towards like 2022. So yeah, that's the day. That is the day here on gold. Looking like we're trying to create resistance, but we have to if we don't break the low, that means the candle's respecting the low, right? And if it's respecting the low, then it can still move up at any time. So all we could do is wait. Now look, you can do this analysis. I could have done that analysis in about 2 minutes, but you should get into the habit of really examining what's going on, right? Really being aware of what price is doing, what price has done, what the fresh price action is doing, and what you can anticipate price doing moving forward in your session that day. So you in a way, you talk yourself through it, right? You kind of build up this story, kind of give yourself a bias for both directions, and then go ahead and you know, mark up your ranges and leave it there. Yeah, so that's gonna be it. So I'm gonna look to potentially take sells below 2030 490 here. So sells below this level, sells below here, and then gonna look to take buys above 2033 here today. 2033. Yeah, we've broken, so obviously we're bullish here on the day, but we've broken the lows here, right? So we've broken the lows, we've demolished the 4-hour lows. We have to be careful right here at 2030. This probably won't be a position I'll take before NY open, because I'd much rather wait for, like, instead of taking an actual breakout where we can fake out right here, right? Like this candle could, see that wick? That wick was filled, right? And what is that? That's the daily bottom wick, previous daily candle. So this can easily be a pack runner, right? Pretend this is the 30-minute time frame, right? This candle here can easily be a pack runner, but we do have a lot of confirmation that this could now move down, right? Being that we have a lot of rejection here on the daily as well, right? A lot of rejection right here. And look at the body of this candle, right? The body of the candle is very small compared to the actual wick. So now that we're breaking the lows, we want to see if we can actually remain below, right? Can we remain below? Because we've identified a term that we use called the pack runner, right? And the pack runner is a candle that will come down. It will break the lows slightly, right? And then begin to move back up. So what can that look like on like a 1-hour time frame? That could look, if this is the low right here, right? Let me circle, or let me circle the low, right? This is the previous daily candle low. What can happen is on the daily, it's just going to look like this, right? It's just going to look like bullish candle, and like the candle came down and broke it, right? And let's say this candle actually did end up moving back up today. But what that looks like here on this 1-hour / 30-minute time frame is just a simple fake out, right? Something like this, a candle that closes below. A lot of times it'll have no wick, right? Or let's just put a wick on it, right? Let's say it does have a wick, right? And then the next candle will do something like this and close back in the range bullish, right, on this bullish day. So this would be considered a fake out, right here. So this is where you have your fake out, boom, on the lower time frames for price to continue moving up, right? Now the candle closed above, strong body, right? Nice wick to fill, and then that's when you see the daily candle begin moving again, so it can do something like this, right? So that's what you want to be careful for when you're going against the daily bias, is really being aware that the fake out can happen in that zone, right? Does that make sense? Perfect. Hey, how you doing? Yeah, because this would basically be your daily, right? This is your daily time frame. Daily, and then this is like your 1 hour. So it looks like this on the daily. It just looks like a little pack runner, but on the 1 hour 30, this is kind of going to give you that fake out there. Yes sir. So we'll be aware of that. We'll be aware of that in this 2030 490 area. Yeah. Okay, let's get off of gold for a minute, and let's take a look at pound, yen. Whoa. Okay. All right. Okay. Yeah, wow, GJ's been driving. Coming back up here now though, so let's do a breakdown here on pound yen from the monthly down, so we can see what we got going on. So, sheesh, yeah, GJ just did not want to go. It just did not want to go down here on this monthly candle, man. So as you guys can see, there's a lot of consolidation going on the daily time frame with pound yen. No surprise, we ran up. We had this bullish rally the entire year from January all the way up until I think June, or yeah, pretty much July. So we've been consolidating out now ever since. Looks like this monthly candle. So look, you have a fake out here, right? So you have this fake out now where the monthly candle did close below, but the other one now closed back in right at resistance, right? So perfect closure pound yen, right? Just kidding. So we close right at resistance here. So if you guys mark this off, you have a resistance, you also have a support, and that's pretty much the range you're in. You had this support, you have a fake out. Now we could adjust it and say, okay, well, this now is the range that pound yen monthly is now trading in. So bit tough to trade in this range on the monthly, but that's the monthly. So let's go down to the weekly, see what's good with that. I would expect, even though this candle closed bullish, I would expect us to maybe move up a little bit and then probably have another barcode candle here. So potential bearish closure here as well. You did get a close on bearish on the weekly time frame too, which is right at that resistance, right? So you would expect candles to move down. Let's go ahead and take a look at the daily. Daily's struggling here. It's got no top wick. It's going to need a top wick, right? That's what it's coming up to do now. If it really wants to drive down towards support, it's going to need a top wick to do that. So it's trying to come up. It's trying to make a top wick. It may just flip bullish and then continue driving here today. So I am pretty bearish, man, based off the day. You have a resistance here. You have a support right here. You close below and you continue to remain below. This candle closed very strong bearish. Therefore, you should come down and tap into this support, right? Retest that zone down there. That's going to be from current price action about 150 pips. So 150 pips there today. Let's go ahead and see what the 4 hour is doing. So 4 hour is juicing back up, looking to retest resistance here. You also have this support. So look, you had a closure below support. Next candles drove down very nicely. Now we are pulling back, right? So we're pulling back here. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour has a strong resistance here. There's also a pretty strong support here. So let's see what we do in this range, right? Let's see what happens. Is GJ gonna move up and close above and potentially move in this range here today? Or are we going to close right at resistance, right? And then begin to move back down, right? If it does, we've got clean traffic coming back down. We are bullish, bearish on the day. So this move like this, all that would be is the daily candle giving itself a top wick, right? If we move this over a little bit, that's all that would be. So we'll see if that happens here on the 1 hour time frame. If it does, then we can look to continue the selling pressure here, right? And be able to retest that support below. So that is that's pretty much what I'm gonna look at here for GJ. I'm gonna see really what she wants to do in the zone here. Very choppy zone, nothing too crazy. Not the best zone here at all. So we'll see what she wants to do, if she wants to continue up or begin to create a resistance for the daily candle to keep moving down. So gonna have to wait here on pound yen, but I'm gonna mark this off as like fake out for sells. Yeah, fake out for sells right there around like 186.520, and then sells below here as well. Yeah, we're gonna need some sort of a range too if we're gonna take buys above here. Yeah, or I'm gonna need a range too, right? Because I don't want to, excuse me, get faked out and buy into this this top wick here, and then price just makes the top wick and drives down. So that's the reason for waiting for the range 2 there. But other than that, yeah, looking for sells, range 2 buys above 186.520, and we'll see how we react in this overall no trade range here. Yeah. Cool. So we just got to wait on GJ for a little bit more price action. Joey Stew's in the house. What up, Joey Stew? Yeah, it's I think they're Governor Bailey speaks on the pound here. Yeah, in 2 minutes. Okay, cool. Did I miss that? I was only looking at USD here. Phillips and Bailey today, huh? Phillips and Bailey. All right, let's see how we react here in 10 seconds. If there's any actual like high impact initial news. And then we'll take a look at Nas here too. Let's see how gold closed up there. Yeah, gold closed bearish, but right at support, right? So if you guys also see, there's a new support right here. We closed right above it, so nothing there on gold just yet for me. Yeah, there's a wick fill here, but this may not work well. We'll see. All right, cool. So that's GJ. We got gold, and let's take a look at Nas. Oh wow, yeah. These are my markups from yesterday. You see how Nas respected these ranges so well. Now we're just knocking at the door, right? On this, trying to get back into this range here. Let's remove all the drawings and go ahead and start from scratch here. So we have we've got a bullish closure here on Nas. All-time highs here. We don't have any data outside of this wick fill right here on Nas. So we got to pay attention. We'll see what that looks like on the lower time frames. There's no bottom wick here. We're going to need that bottom wick as well. So weekly's moving bearish here, right? So if we can close bearish here on the weekly, I'm very excited that we broke the lows here, because Nas is just going to be such a great trading pair to trade here. So we broke the lows. I'm really hoping we can close bearish here on the week, and then that way next week we have range and moves to continue down. And what that will do is that will give us more ranges, right? As we're in this all-time high zone here on Nas, there's zero data to the left, right? So it begins to get difficult to take positions. So if we could begin to create supports, you know, and do these new ranges, all this good stuff, and come down and, you know, give us tradable ranges, right? Give us tradable ranges here. So that's what we really want to see on Nas, right? That we can continue to have data to the left and range to trade. So that looks like that, right? If we get this closure, that'll be nice. Let's take a look at the daily. Daily did close bearish here as well. You've got clean traffic coming down now, right? So you had a support right here. You did close below yesterday, and now this candle's currently making a top wick. So, you know, we'll see what happens. Let's go ahead and see what the 4 hour looks like. Looks like we do need a little bit of a pullback. 4 hours been running. We need a pullback. So these couple candles right here, these are your daily top wick, right? You notice how this candle here has no wick at the bottom, right? That's your daily, the open of your daily candle. So what this is a daily top wick, right? So if you can create a resistance somewhere, that means we now officially have a daily top wick, right? And that means that we can now begin to move down based off of the bearish bias that we're coming to the desk with today. So we got to see what the 4 hour wants to do, how it reacts in this area. Current candle has no bottom wick, very little to no bottom wick on it. So that's a good sign of a potential retracement, right? But what we're looking to see here is either this candle closed bearish, right, to begin to move down, right? Or it's going to be the next 4 hour candle that's going to do the trick, right? You know, looking something like this, right? Get a 4 hour close, and then you may see the daily start to drive down. So, you know, how are we going to plan this out here today? Let's go ahead and scale down to the 1 hour, 30 minute, see what's good here. So 30 minute, 1 hour, obviously you have a beautiful range right here, support, you have resistance, and that's pretty much the range that you're in, right? So above that, there's a pretty clean move coming up. You also have this massive wick to fill, but below here is really what we want to take advantage of here today, because if we are bearish on the day, that means below there we begin to start to cruise down on the daily candles. So let's see if we can do it. Let's see if we can do it. Sells look really good for me below 17,220. Below this 15-minute support, 17,215. And then buys look pretty good. They look pretty good above 172.44 here. Yeah, that would also be us breaking the 4 hour highs as well, and breaking out of this nasty consolidation on the 1 hour. So Yeah, it looks good. That's what I'm going to have for Nas. So buys above 172.44. And then actually, I'm just going to call it 17.244, 17.215, 17.160. All right, that's going to be the new lingo for Nas, for Nazier over here. Nazier. Let's go. Yeah, Nas played perfectly to our ranges, gang. Trust me, I've studied this pair for the last 7 months now. I know sometimes I don't talk and I don't say, oh, look, but just know I'm always, the brain is always moving. My brain is always going. So all those sessions we sat there, we watched Nas, trust me, I was taking incredible notes, incredible mental notes. All right. Ooh, let's go. Let's go. So yeah, that's it. Nice 35, 40 minutes worth of technical analysis here. What's up, Scott? How you doing, bro? I'm a quiet type of thinker, yeah. I'm also secretly learning to trade Bitcoin. Actually, I've done pretty well in Bitcoin, man. Yeah, I got Bitcoin too now. Yeah, I'm just sitting. I don't day trade it, but I invest into it. Holy. Yeah, see that? Nothing. All right, what do we got here? Who's in the chat? The transformation channel is great. Many people go through a lot in this world. God willing, we will all change for the better. Yeah, shout out to AB Mike. AB Mike brought that to our attention already as a mod. Just communicating well and bringing ideas to the table, which is so dope. Yeah, shout out to AB. YOLO Traders in the house. What up, YOLO Trader? What up, Alexandros? What's good, my dude? Buy my BTC. How you feeling today, Nicholas? I'm feeling just fantastic, man. It's like just incredible. I can't even put it into words. I cannot put it into words. How you doing? I am doing amazing. Thank you. Purpose, how you doing? How you doing? Yo, I gotta show you guys where that comes from, by the way. Remind me later in the stream. I'll show you guys where it comes from. Hey, by the way, you guys can join our free Discord. I know I meant to, you guys were asking about the Discord yesterday, but we'll talk about it real quick. So you guys are more than welcome to join the free Discord. There's like almost 6,000 people here now, or yeah, almost 6,500 people actually. So this is our Discord. This is our Discord channel. You guys are more than welcome to pull up here. You can check out our community. It's an incredible one, right? This is a habitat for growth. This is a environment for growth here, and that's what we designed it for. So, you know, you obviously have like the rules. Go check out the rules before you jump in here. You have beginner questions. So if you guys have any questions, this is the Jesus mission for anybody who just wants to talk about the spiritual realm. This is where we do our Bible studies, talk about the Word of God, and just how so rich it is, right? Richer than the richest definition of the word rich itself. Wow. Right? Just mind-blowing. But this is where we put our links out for when we do Bible studies and all that good stuff. And praise the Lord, because he's brought the people here, man. So he's got a word for you today. I believe he's got an incredible calling upon your life. Even if you don't believe in God, even if you dislike and hate religion, right? It's not about that. It's about relationship with the one true God who created you and who designed you for greatness and put a plan and a calling upon your life. So that God is here to speak to you today. But that is the Jesus Mission channel. You also have announcements where we put different type of announcements in and things that are just, coming out or breaking news in the TTE headlines. You got the traders chat room here where you can just chop it up with traders, just about random trading conversations, things like that. You also have the words of wisdom where people would just be dropping by and just boom, just dropping some wisdom, just like, you know, the salty dude, like just sprinkling some wisdom in this channel. You got crypto talk, so a lot of crypto. Looks like crypto is beginning to be the topic of conversation more lately. So we got the crypto talk here. You also have a desk setup channel here, so if you guys have some cool desk setups, let's see where you're trading from. I really like this. This is solid right here. This is super cool. You got an Alienware. Love the background, but beautiful setup there, man. I don't know how you're not blind yet, but incredible lighting, incredible setup. So yeah, if you guys have cool desk setups, show us where you're trading from, man. We want to see the office. We want to see where you stick the banks up. So yeah, this is cool. I think I posted mine here. It might be too far up, but I'll see. Yeah, right here. Yeah, this is mine. This is where I trade from. This is my battle station. So let's see yours. Yeah, let's check yours out. Prop funding. If you guys are making your way in a prop space, you know, post your success here. If you have any questions, post them here. If you need help with anything, you can post it here. If you're looking to get funded, go ahead and get yourself an account with Top One Trader, who most of us are beginning to use now. I know we already have some people who are cruising into phase 2 and all that stuff. So congrats to all you guys. But yeah, this is the prop space. So if you passed your challenge or you're getting payouts, let us know. We wanna congratulate you on your success. This is where the book club hang out. So if you guys, it's the library here. I recommend all these books right here: Best Loser Wins, The Forex Mindset, Trading in the Zone, and of course, Outwitting the Grind Time Mufasa. Hey, yo, it's grind time, bro. It's grind time. I have all these books here. I've read all these books. All of them are pretty fantastic. Any book that you pretty much ask for, I pretty much have it, right? Look at this guy. He said, yo, anyone have Born Rich by Bob Proctor? So I took a picture right at his comment. Think and Grow Rich. This is a book I'm reading as well. Meditations by Marcus Aurelius. Magic of Thinking Big. Market Wizards. So you can go in here and find some great books for yourself. A lot of great knowledge here. Food picks, man. What you guys eating? We want to see TK. We want to see what your spread's looking like on the day-to-day. Usually I'll post like steaks. Yeah, usually I'll be posting steaks in here, but we want to see what you're eating. And the channel is Time to Eat, right? So we want to see what you got going on the plate. We also just added this transformation channel, right? So we want to hear about you. We want to hear about, you know, how you went from point A to point B. We want to hear your testimony. We want you to drop and sprinkle some wisdom and insight on the travelers that are on the journey behind you. And like I said here, it's also for people who are looking for help on their journey, right? Like, just, hey, you guys are a little bit ahead of me. You know, is there any advice you can drop in here, whether it be trading, mental health, spiritual, financial, physical, fitness, whatever it is, right? We want to see you guys thrive. We want to know you a little bit better and hear your story. So this is the mod channel. I can't open that up. There's too much sauce in that channel. So you're gonna have to be a mod if you want to get in that door. But yeah, then you just also got trading, man. So just simple stuff, daily profits. If you guys have any charts for the stream, you could break them down. I'll kind of go over them. We'll maybe go over this trade here in a few minutes. But if there's any questions you have on trades and you guys want us to kind of examine them, go ahead and send the chart. Now, send the chart though with some writing on it. Like, you see how AJ sends the chart? This is perfect, right? 1, 2, 3, so I can understand and really, you know, explain it. But if you're trading during the Asian session, we got Asian, London, you got London squad in here, New York session. Obviously, you know, we're here most days, right? But if you're chilling and you can't get on here, there's a Discord channel as well. And then Sam got the fundamental room on lock. And if you just trader and you don't trade like us, you can post your stuff here. And we appreciate you guys posting it here and not in the main channels, right? Because then that confuses people that come to the stream and look to trade like the way I do. So appreciate you guys. I love the conversations that you guys have in here. It's beautiful. It's awesome, right? Traders just helping one another out. So yeah, man. So that's a little bit about the Discord. The Signals channel is here. It's closed for now. We've closed the Signals channel for a couple months, but when it reopens, I'll let you guys know. And yeah, that's the Discord. So come on in, make yourself at home, find a friend, and enjoy. Enjoy it. Peter. Some people may like the answer, some people may not. I think I have to start off first by just saying, please just respect your dad, you know, especially if he helped you out and he got you into that university. And you know, before you had trading, you may have had goals that he was trying to support in your university. So we have to understand a lot of times that our parents don't quite understand what we're doing, what the vision is. So you have to be very careful, right? Because you want your parents on your side. You don't want your parents to be dimming your light, right? You don't want them to be knocking your dream. You want them to be supportive. So what I would do, brother, is I would just keep that trading on the low. Let the results speak for themselves. In the meantime, stay in your studies, make your dad proud, but don't sacrifice your dream to make someone proud, right? Focus all in on what you feel called to do, but in your current situation, please, you know, just make sure you got respect for your dad and you're doing what you're supposed to do. And no need to talk about trading. No need to talk about it. Just when you get some payouts and when you start withdrawing some profits, then you could talk about trading. But that's the advice I'd give you. Been out the loop. Nick's still trading the 400K. Yeah, I'm trading a 400K and a 200K. So I got a 200K with top one as well, and trading both of them. So yeah, also have another I still have that other 400K account as well. That's just kind of sitting there. So I haven't touched that, but I have been trading the recent 400K and the 200K. So trying to get 600K in capital here by like March. Learned a lot from your stream. Just want to say thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. So it's my honor to be here. It's Wags here. What up, Wags? Reminds me of the guy from Billions. Wags. When I get to my level of success, I'm gonna book a ticket to meet you and show you my great. Hey, I look forward to meeting you, G. Come on, come to sunny Florida, man. We want you guys to visit the Sunshine State. Wags, I like that name. Should have named my son Wags. Indian dad speak. You gotta watch out, man. You gotta learn self-defense too. All right, I'm probably really behind on the comments, so I may have to skip through some of these. We non-playbook trades causing havoc. Yeah, y'all were causing havoc. We had to create a separate page for you guys. But that's the thing, yo. You guys are welcome here, right? Like a lot of people here don't even trade like me. They just come because we trade here, right? We talk about trading, we talk about life, we talk about the matrix. You know, we talk about things that matter, right? So it draws a lot of traders that may not necessarily trade like exactly like us, and that's fine. You know, you don't have to trade like me to vibe out and, you know, hang out and enjoy the stream. The Don, what's goody? Yeah, some people, their ego is so big. They're like, no, you don't trade like us. Like it's one thing if you're trying to like get up in there and like kind of like deter people like to your way of thinking. But if you're just trading that way and you're hanging out in the non-trade playbook and talking about there, that's where it's supposed to be talked about. So we encourage it. But if you're over here like, yo, screw Nick, bro. Screw that guy. Screw his way of trading, bro. Come over here. Come over here. I'll teach you. Right? We've had some people do that, and that's just unacceptable. But yeah, I love it. How you doing? What up, Yanosh? I'm streaming from the Bronx. Hey, look. Unusual join activity detected. So the scammers are now in the Discord, ladies and gents. So just be careful. By the way, I'll never message you on the Discord and say, how you doing? How's your trading going? Look, they're already in here. See? Unusual join activity detected in the time to eat trading. So my mods are gonna take care of it and just flex on them. Yeah. There they go. See? That's how good we got it. Gone. He's gone. Yeah. Yeah. Be careful, gang. There's a lot of scammers out there in this freaking industry. It's a bit ridiculous, but you know, just be smart. Just be smart. I'm never going to hit you up on Discord and be like, how's your trading going? I can help you out. I'm never going to hit you up on Instagram and saying, hey, I have a mentorship and I'm going to help you out. Nah, you'll see me maybe post something on my story here and there, and then it's up to you to reach out to me. I'll never reach out to you. I'll never follow up with you. You know, if you want to rock and roll, we'll rock and roll. If not, that's totally fine. But if someone's like, yo, yeah, let's do it, that's most likely not me. And alert should go off in your brain. Alert. I don't want your Bitcoin. I'm telling you now, I do not accept Bitcoin. Ricardo. Yeah, some of you guys get messages from 3 Nick Stewarts every day. Pay him in cookies, hero of the day. Can we send you a DM if we're really struggling? Of course. My door is always open. I am a servant, right? I am a servant, and that's where I thrive. So the door is always open. You know, if you guys have to talk and want to talk. I mean, some of you guys have already done that, and I try and give you guys the best response I can to help you out in your situation. Sometimes I can't get to all the messages in one day, but I do get back to mostly everyone. Right? The Son of Man did not come to be served, but to serve. And that's the one I follow, and that's the example that I have. So I'm a servant. You know, that's why I'm here today. I could be here just trading on my own, but I enjoy working with other people. I enjoy the spirit of servanthood, and I know it's a calling on my life. So I'm willing to show up every day. How's your trade? If anyone needs a crypto wallet, Joe Fargo in the building. What's good, Joe Fargo? What up, Stephen B? Not sure if I said hello to you yet. Welcome in. What's good? All right, let me draw this up and make it nice and pretty here, because we didn't put any zones on here yet. And I like my charts to look good. Lovely. So what happened here? So 30 minutes still open. I'm going to wait here on the 30-minute time frame. You got 6 minutes left, so we'll see what happens here. MEES, MEES. When you know, you know. You just know. You see how your first statement was, I want to get to know more about God. But then you said, I just don't believe there's something like that. If you don't believe that there's something like that, then how do you want to get to know more about that, my friend? When you know, you know. You know. Been a lurker for a while. It's time to I figured it's time I sub. Hey, thanks, man. We got a sub here today. Thank you, bro. Appreciate that, man. Great leadership. Thank you, man. Thank you. Hey, it's good to have you. Glad you've been showing up. I'm happy that you subbed. Yeah, man. Thanks. I just never got that feeling that there is a God. Yeah, you have. You have it right now. That's why you're curious. That's why you want to know. Because you know. Johnny Boy's in the house. What up, Johnny Boy? Let's get John up here. One moment. There we go. Perfect. All right. What's good, John? How you doing, young man?
Good morning, G.
How we feeling?
Man. How you doing, bro?
Fantastic. Incredible, bro. Amazing.
Dude, for real, bro. I'm blessed to... Bro, super great, bro. Super grateful today. Another day here. Blessed day. Let's get it. Amen. A gift from God right here today.
Amen.
Yo. What's up, chat? Good morning. Hope you guys are all doing great. Good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're at. What up, everyone in Zoom? Hope you guys are feeling like today's the best day of your life, because it is.
Yes, sir.
It is. Let's get it.
Sir.
Yo. How you doing?
How you doing? We're going to get that on the soundboard, chat. Got y'all.
Yeah, chat needs to hear that. They're probably like, what the hell are these guys talking about?
What are these crazy New Yorkers doing in Florida talking about how you doing?
Yeah. Hey, God bless, Joseph. God bless.
Breathe in, breathe out. There you go. Hey.
Yes, sir.
Can we pray over the month? We prayed over the month, my friend. You can go back, Rob, and check out the beginning of the stream. We didn't got prayed up.
We covered up in prayer, and we walk with faith, right? Throughout our life, we walk in faith with that prayer. We pretty much walk in prayer.
Yeah.
Joey Stu, nobody moves, nobody gets hurt.
How you doing?
Let's get it. Hey, y'all, looking like a good day. Good day today.
Yes, sir.
Got 8:30 news. Chilling.
Yeah. Give me we got a closure here in a minute. Just give me a sec. I'll be right back.
Closures. Chat, what up? Hope you guys are doing great. Wherever you're at, hopefully today has been a productive day for you guys. Trying to make yourself, more valuable to yourself. That's what's up, right? Stacking the wins today. So positively, repositive, right? What's up? Good morning, Steven. How you doing, brother? Yes, sir. Another best day in my life every day. That's what I like to hear, Brax. Right? Think about it. That's that separation, right? The people who are waking up and they're like, another day, versus the person who's like, all right, bet. Let's go. I'm hyped. Today's going to be the best day of my life. Like, who do you think is going to have more of an edge, right? Long term, who's going to have more of that edge, right? It makes a difference. It makes a difference. What's up, Paraz? Blessings. The energy we speak to ourselves, we're attracting that energy back. You wanna focus on discipline. Make sure your thoughts, what you think, what you say, and what you do are all in line, right? If they're all aligned, your discipline is pretty good.
Yes, sir. That's true.
Very true. Oh yeah, happy February as well. First of the month. Of course, Peraz, I'm hyped.
Yes, sir. All right. Let's see what's gonna happen here. Let's see. We got a closure. Oh wow, we did that very quickly here. Let's see. If we can come down and re-break the low, I'm gonna have buy stops here on gold. Yeah, or we wait for 8:15 here. But everything looks good as of right now. 1 hour looks good. 1 hour closed very nicely here. So we close. So look, 4 hour has no top wick, so it's beginning to pull back. 1 hour closed above the range pretty well. Same thing with the 30-minute here. We should begin to move up. 15-minute as well closed above. So unless we come down to, you know, flip and break that low one more time, I'll have buy stops. If not, I'll wait for the 15 to close and then ready to go from there. Yeah, only because.
What's up, Dino? Good morning, brother.
Dino's in the house. What up, Dino? Let's take a look at GJ here real quick. GJ did close bearish as well. 1 hour. Nas is in the range, so we're not going to touch Nas, but we'll see. We got some excitement on GJ here potentially for a resistance. So yeah, let's see what the stops are here. 38 pips stops. We got to use current candle then. So we need to see a decent top wick here on pound yen because the 1 hour closed bullish. So if we are going to anticipate the daily now moving down after that wick has been formed, then we need to see a pretty decent top wick here. Gold, let's see if we could re-break that low here on gold. That'd be great. If we do that, I'll probably have buy stops before the news. There's still an area here on the 1 hour too that can get a little tricky right here. Right there.
What's up, Sandman? What's up, bro?
Sandman. Sandman's in the building.
Oh, man.
Yeah, we got some high impact news coming in here.
Yeah.
Unemployment claims. They're not looking to see much of a change here though. Yo, what up, Green?
Man.
What up, Classic? What's good, boys?
Greenery. What's up, Classic? Yeah, we'll see what the news brings for us today.
Yes, sir. Let's see. What's a good time frame to look at? Usually 30-minute, 1 hour. Those are usually my favorites.
What's up, Z Gamer? What's up, Yanosh?
Yanosh. Yeah, we want to see if price can break the low, come back into the range, and then re-break the high. The only issue here is there's two issues, right? News coming out at 8:30, and then this resistance right there, right? Looks clean on the 30, but not so much on the 1 hour. Joe Stu. Brother Nick, let's see. Can we get Rafi for a group meditation session sometime before the boot camp? Yeah, I think me and Rafi are gonna link up this week. Let me message Rafi real quick.
Yeah. Oh, you know, I'm blessed, bro. I'm happy to hear that.
Yeah, man, we did a sick meditation session at the boot camp, which was pretty dope. Does your bro Joe trade in the background with you? Yeah, Joe trades too. Yep, we all trade. Traders trade, man. Traders trade. Yeah, so we did close above, we did come down and re-break the lows here, chat. So I'm gonna have some buy stops here on gold. I know there's news coming out. We've got some time here. So if we do break the highs, you should see a push up fairly quickly. And then this is more so of like trying to really see if we can run up towards this white line here, right? What is it? 2039. 2039 with the NY open volume coming in. Now, I did something on my magic keys. I want to see if we're going to have an issue. Yeah, I guess I got to change that back. Ay, ay, ay.
Ay, ay, ay.
All right, cool.
Freaking magic keys, man.
Magic keys, man.
I got the keys.
All right, yeah, so I'm going to have some buy stops there on gold. 30-minute looks pretty clean, right? We have a support right here on the 30 that we did close above. And last time we closed above, we did make our way up towards like 38 here. So that's kind of where I would look to take some partials right up here at 38. And if we break that high, we should go right up there. So should be a quick push too before news, and then, you know, maybe back down. So see how many pips that is. It's about 33 pips. Am I in a buy? I am not in a buy. I have set buy stops. So I have a limit order. If we break the high, then I will be in a buy, but I'm not in a buy just yet. Do 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 do. Let's go, Classic Mafia. Resolve the issue in the Discord. Let's go, Classic.
W.
Savage.
Get them scammers out of here.
Get them scammers out.
They're gonna be cursed. That's cursed money.
So if we do get activated here, my trade's gonna look something like this, right? Something like this. And if we get activated, so we know the plan for if price moves for us, right? We're gonna close up some partials right around this area here, which is gonna be like 30 pips or 25 pips. And then what we'll do is if we break the high, right, and then re-break that low again, I'm out. Right, I'm out, because that'll typically be where we're gonna range for a bit. So we would have taken our original risk, right? If you're trading, let's say 1%, and then you close here, you almost cut that risk in half here. So whatever you actually plan to risk, that would be how we would manage that position. But we may if we don't get activated really soon, then we may delete. Like, I actually, now that the candle's pumping down, I may delete and wait to see if the 15-minute candle will close above, because if it doesn't, there's no point in having this this buy stop here. So if the 15 closes back below, we'll delete. I do like the previous 15 stops. If you're using fixed lots, then I would do that, but it looks like we smoked them. We've won 7 trades this month. Yeah, 7. No. Oh yeah. Let me
That was
let me
last
fix
month.
the monthly record here. Hold up. Hold up. We're back to 000. Oh. Remember that trade?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Nothing.
0-0 now. Nothing for FOMC yesterday, huh?
No, not in the later session. Nope. Taking this time to say thank you, Nick. If you see this, I've been trading for the past 7 years and finally only been profitable over the last 6 months watching your stream. W, bro. W. Let's go. Congratulations, ZE. Great work. Great work. Way to stay steadfast. Yeah, way to stay steadfast in your vision and in your goals.
Great stuff.
Yep, new month, clean slate, baby. Plans for Nazi? Yeah, Nazi's consolidating here, but we do have our eyes on it. GJ, I'm a bit hesitant because of the 1 hour here, but this is exactly what we really want to see, some sort of a rejection, fake out to that zone there. So we'll see how we move. I like the 1 hour. 30 minutes not bad though. Yeah, we got 3 minutes left for the 15. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna delete this order here, and if we close above, then I will re-add this. It'll be a 30-minute breakout. Or maybe we'll just hang on here. There's only 3 minutes left. That's the thing. Yeah, 3 minutes left. Yeah, I'm gonna settle. Yeah, I'm gonna settle on deleting this for right now, and then we'll add it back if the candle closes above. Settle on, settle on. So if we do close above and remain above the zone here, then I will add this back. But I'm going to wait this 2 minutes out because I don't believe that we're going to push up and hit our target in 2 minutes. We may, but I'd rather wait for more information here. Oh, yeah, trade of the day. All right, yeah. Oh, I don't think we have anything written there right now, so we good. We go.
Roach.
So for those that are wondering why delete it, you know, how come, right? Because there's 2 minutes left now in this 15-minute candle, right? So if the 15 closes bearish, then there's really no point in having the order at that point, because the next 15 will most likely begin to drive down like this, right? So we could delete the order. The other reason a lot of times is if you happen to have that order in, right, especially as we're tiptoeing around news here, what can happen is that this candle can activate you and then close with no top wick, right? And then when that happens, there's not much of range for price to drive in. So what can happen at that point is price can come back into the range, right? From that point, no top wick on the candle. And then boom, if it's closing back in the range pre-news, it's most likely going to wait for the result of the data. So we don't want to be in it like that, right? We don't want to be in that mess.
No,
so
thanks.
Those are the reasons why.
Yeah,
GJ
quick.
moving. Ooh, yeah, GJ is moving here. This wasn't bad. This wasn't bad. I always prioritize gold over pound yen, but yeah, this was not bad at all. You got what, 9? Oh wow, nice 16 pips. Yeah, GJ's really looking good too these days, man. It's coming back to life.
We had that pound news at 7 too this morning.
Yeah, we had the news there, so you may get a lot of volatility off that news. This is probably where I would look to close partials on pound yen, just because you're coming into the zone here. Let's see, what did this do? Oh yeah, we actually closed above here, so I'm gonna add these buy stops back on GJ. I mean on gold here. We did close above, so if we do break that high, you should see a move up. Stops are gonna keep the same stops as before.
Dude.
You got 4 pips on GJ? Nice.
Yeah, GJ, nice move.
GJ. Yeah, look at GJ from yesterday. Holy. Holy.
Hey, quick reminder, the sooner you want to follow your technical system to the T, the sooner you're going to see profits, right? You wonder how long it take to be profitable. Well, the sooner you want to follow your system, right? You follow your technical system to the T. There's a saying, measure it twice, cut it once, right? And that really means like you want to do, if you do everything right, you only have to do it one time, right? If you want to F up, you're going to have to start all over again. And that can go with growing your personal account. That can go with passing funded accounts or growing funded accounts, right? So if you want to do it right, you only have to do it once. But if you want to F up and break your rules and not follow your system, then you're going to have to start all over again. And that's up to you. You make that choice. But just a quick reminder.
It's like a revolving door. Just vicious cycle.
Yeah. Exactly. That's something I need to program to myself too, because I don't want to mess it up, right? This is really my job, right? Quote unquote job. So it's my job to follow my technical system to the T so I can get my profits.
Yep. Yep. So let's see, we respected the low here. If we break the high, you have a 15-minute celery, nice 30-minute breakout, 1 hour breakout. If it gets too close to news, then we'll delete. But you got a nice 15 seller here.
Yeah, it's starting to break out of the range too.
Yeah, Nas100, let's go. 15 broke out, waiting on the 30.
Oh yeah, you got comics coming up.
Yeah, we also do have comics. Comics. How can you use your trading journal? Just hit exclamation point journal, and then you can grab it right there. All right, it's getting a little too close here, so I'm gonna delete. Was hoping to maybe rip out of here by 8:15, but no bueno. So gonna delete that. Wait for the news to come out, and then we'll go from there. If we break that high, you should juice up, but I'm not gonna risk it here during news. 8:20 can pop us up, break the high, and we entered this trade around 8:05, so I was trying to get that done by 8:15, 8:20. But now that we're cruising in 8:20, I'm gonna let it go. Yeah, especially with the news. If there was no news here, then I would hold on to it. Where's Sam, the news guy? The newsman. He's the newsman, man.
We printing sideways right now.
We sitting sideways. Yeah, again, you also do have this 1 hour zone here, right? This level here. So I think a closure above there would be obviously much better too. Yeah, so delete this whole idea, scratch that idea, and we'll come back to it. So it looks like this could be a fake out on the 30. We can adjust that now, right? So we can adjust that and keep our zones right here. Right? Again, 4 hour top wick has not been formed. So we'll see if we do break the high, then you may come up to give that 4 hour top wick, but yeah, beginning to look like a little bit of a fake out on the 30. So let's leave it where it is and let it do its thing. And then GJ kind of tapped the advantage point here. So as you come into this zone right here, I guess we should hit sell stops on GJ instead of buy stops on gold. But yeah, in this zone, you may have a little bit of a struggle. Yeah, we'll wait for news. And Nas is, we got news coming out here. So Nas is obviously going to look good if we break out, but unfortunately not going to have a sell stop until I see how news comes out and all that good stuff. Oh, Raja's on? Oh, nice. Tell him we said hello. Tell him we said hello. Tell him we love him. Tell him nothing. Spam his chat with TTE. Or love from TTE. Maybe we shouldn't distract. He's probably going to have buy stop, sell stop, so we won't distract him. I struggle with my psychology a lot. Any advice? Yeah, plan your trade your plan. Get into the mindset of this is a business. That you should always, if you're struggling in psychology, like within trades, and it means that you don't really have a set plan for the trade. So every time we take a trade, there's always different parameters, right? Like there's a stop loss, there's a take profit. There's a logical point on the chart, right, that I would look to go break even or close partials, right? So you want to set up your little partials. You want to set up your TP2, and then maybe your full targets up here, and just let it run. Just let it go. And now, like we were saying yesterday, sometimes like you have things that are gonna you're gonna have to make quick decisions sometimes to adjust the plan here and there. But that should only be if the technicals or, let's say, fundamentals are screwing with your trade, right? Meaning if a candle closes with no top wick and you're in a buy, then you may want to close partials. Like if you got 20 pips like in your bank, you may want to take them, right? You may, instead of holding until the 35 pip area in which you intended on, right? Or let's say news is coming up in 3 minutes. you might want to close, you know, before you get to your vantage point. But other than that, you want to see if you can strictly follow the plan, right? Strictly just put the trade on and just, in a way, walk away, right? And just act as if the algo put the trade on.
Yeah. And maybe maybe start to read some books on the human brain.
Yeah, and study the
Get
brain.
some knowledge. Yep. Because how are you gonna, you know, master something or level up on something if you don't even know anything about it?
Yeah. How to close partials? On MT5, on what are you closing partials on? What's good, Hank? I didn't have a good morning, man. I had a fantastic morning. Incredible morning.
Hell yeah.
Great morning. I hope you had a great morning as well, Hank. Good to see you here today, my man. Yeah, so we can now say, okay, this is a 30-minute fake out here. In which scenarios do we don't need range 2 breakout confirmations? So either if the range 2 happened in a prior session, then it should be good to go. Or like in today's case, how the daily kind of broke the lows there, right? So we broke the lows on the daily. Now, if you can see a nice closure below with volume coming in, you'll most likely see a push down, right? Because we've already broken those lows. So these are times where you can kind of switch your bias up a little bit. And if you think about it, you wouldn't have taken these sells, right? You would need a range 2 below here. So you would need a support, you would need a resistance, and then you would need a closure below. So that's what we have here, right, on gold. So this would be a range 2 breakout. This is the whole range 1 that I wouldn't trade. This is the support that I need, the resistance I need, and then the next thing I need is a closure below. In this case, it would be below the 30-minute support just because it's a little bit safer, and then I could let it rip. Yeah, that would be us re-breaking the low, right? And then if we close below volume, we'll most likely continue down. Did you learn from Raja style? I did. Yeah, I did. Shout out to Raja, man. He's been a great teacher, a great teacher. You know, he's a very good educator, in my opinion. Raja took an L today. That's fine. That's what we do in trading. We take L's. Right? Get used to it, G.
Part of the game.
You got to get used to it. If you can't get used to that, you're done. You're done. Talk about psychology. You're going to be...
For real. You want to win, but you can't even take a loss?
Raja took that buy. Yeah, that's a good point, John. You want to win, but you can't lose. That is not going to work in trading.
Exactly.
That's why you guys see me when I take a loss, and then when I take a win, the reactions are never different. Never.
Yep. Of course, with potential gain comes potential risk. You know, that's 101 here. You gotta accept that.
Yep. Joe Fark. Oh man.
Hank, the day's great, bro. How you doing? Boys.
We could leave Fargo. We could leave his comments. I approve of most of his. It's honestly, it's good humor. It's, you know, he's got whatever. We'll leave it there. I like his comments though. I like that guy. You know when you just like a guy. I just like Joe Fargo, man.
Hey, 1 minute for some fireworks. Yeah, if you're not okay with taking a couple losses, losing a little bit of capital, then this isn't for you. And you're definitely better off just not trading, doing something else, than to be mad at taking losses, because it's part of the game. It's gonna happen.
Yeah, and not everyone's fit to do this, man. And we're not saying go get a job at McDonald's and your life's gonna suck. No, you can go find, take your talents into a different industry, right? It's just because you're not gonna trade doesn't make you, any less worthy or anything like that, right? So here we go. There's our entry. Let's see what would have happened if we held for news. So we would have been in. We would have been in. We woulda, coulda, shoulda.
There's really no stops there.
No.
Let's see what happens.
Oh, and NAS here, 100, closing back in the range. Bearish, but back in the range. TTE crew, had we not known about news, would have been in drawdown here, but we'll see what happens.
Yeah, that's a great point, Marcus. You're okay with an L, but not with a stupid loss like breaking your plan, right? That's why the losses we take are healthy losses. We don't want to take bad losses. Like we always say, we rather take a good loss over a bad win any day of the week, because long term, us taking a good loss over a bad win, we're gonna be profitable, right? So, 100%.
One thing I'm most proud of in my own trading is that very, very rarely, I can't even remember the last time I really beat myself up over losing a trade. So what that tells me is that I'm just following my plan. I'm just following my plan and letting probabilities work, right? There were times, man, where I was like, you idiot. Why? For what? How do you lose 5% in one trade? Yeah, so once you get past all that, it's typically smooth sailing. Honey, how's trading going? Amazing. Just leave me alone right now. I'll talk to you in a second.
Get out of here.
Damn it.
Yeah, I love it. We all feel that, right?
You guys have been there, right? Or just me? I know you guys are fancy professionals that don't lose any trades or never took a loss or blown an account.
Embrace the journey of life, y'all. We're here to experience life, right? We're not here to experience happiness all the time or sadness all the time. We're here to experience life. Yeah. Embrace it.
Embrace it, G.
So enjoy everything. What did Paul say? He said, bear all things with joy.
Yes, sir.
So bear all things with joy. Follow God's word and what he's got in plan.
Yep. Never lost a trade. Never lost.
Yeah. It was all worth it, bro.
Never lost a trade.
Gotta be a long-term thinker here.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap.
What are we doing today? We're following our plan, Annabelle. Let's go.
Yeah, breaking those highs now. You should move up here. By the way, how did the news come out? We didn't even check that. Irresponsible live streamer. Red numbers. Red numbers for gold. So yeah, gold should continue its way up. We will see if we can participate here on, let's say, maybe the 15 close, because we would expect this 4 hour to pull back on the last 15. How did I let go of this? What was the turning point that helped you stop beating yourself up over the losses? Well, remember, I was beating myself over stupid losses, right? Not all the losses, but stupid losses. So how did I fix that? I stopped taking stupid trades.
At a certain point, you just got to get sick and tired with yourself and discuss it with yourself. Like, yo, how the hell am I going to be profitable if I keep breaking my system's rules? It's not going to work. Like, I need to be following my rules in order to make this work. And you gotta just be sick and tired of it with yourself. You gotta be disgusted with yourself at a certain point.
Yep. Yeah, I was also, my window of opportunity was closing quickly. And the thought of ever going back to a actual job, like a 9-to-5 job, scared the living daylights out of me. So there was only one option, and that option was to buckle down, get rid of the stupid trades, stick to the playbook, trust in the playbook, and let the numbers fall where they may. And then the numbers began to improve from that point. So this was right around our advantage point here, where we would have closed up some partials. So we would have tapped into that zone.
You do everything right, you only have to do it once. You want to mess it up, then you're gonna have to start all over again. And I know for a fact you guys don't want to have to get funded and buy more challenges. Nah, right? Just if you do it right, you're only gonna have to do it once.
Yeah.
So let's do it right.
Top of the morning, laddie. Any advice for someone trying to cross into profit? I've had profitable weeks, but they're not consistent. That's good. That's good. It'll come. Give it time. Give it time.
Bro,
Find out. The biggest thing you need to identify is what are you doing differently on the weeks that aren't well, right? Or are you doing well all week and then messing it up towards the end of the week on some trade, that maybe you shouldn't have taken. Yeah, good move up here. So I don't regret deleting, obviously, because that is the plan. So we got to follow the plan at all costs. But as we broke those highs there, you did have a nice move up. So numbers also came out red here for the dollar. Therefore, DXY should go down and gold should move itself up. Yep, dollar moving down, gold moving up. Lovely. Yeah, so the big thing now is can we pull back, right? Can we pull back, and then can we remain above this zone here? So it looks like we did get a little bit of a daily pack runner, right? As we anticipated and talked about this morning. We not only did we do that, but we retested, right? Let me show you guys. We have retested this zone right here, the top of that resistance in which we left, right? So you have very strong range right here, support resistance. You came down, you retested that zone after breaking the low, and now the candle is beginning to flip bullish. You also have no top wick on the 4-hour, which I am almost certain we will create this top wick here. So that's why we were looking for buys there, even without the news, just technicals. We were looking for buys due to potential pack runner and 4-hour giving us a top wick. So that's the 4-hour right there. That's most likely where gold is headed. Oh, where'd my chat go? Hold on. There we go. There we go. Just wait on it. Take a look. Let's take a look. GJ running down too. Yep, just as we anticipated here on pound yen. Yeah, 1-hour should close bearish, especially below this range here. And daily or 4-hour looks good. This daily candle looks great. We gave ourselves a top wick on the daily there. Magnificent. So just beautiful price action playing out here. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Oh, nice, Legrand. Good stuff. Yeah, you can always trade news, gang, like with just go a little bit lower on your risk. It's a little bit lower. So we should come up and flip bullish here on the 4-hour now and give a top wick there. Any trades? No, we had buy stops. We had buy stops here. but we deleted them once the news was coming out. I kept your buy stop. Let's go. Nice.
Yeah, it's chilling.
Good stuff. Yeah, wow, nothing here on Nas, just in the range still. Cheers. I can't trade news, I always get stopped. Yeah, it happens, it happens.
Yeah, I don't like trade news as well.
Did we get that top wick? Almost, almost. Yeah, this is all you have to do. So you begin to get, so a lot of people want to rush the process, right? Man, I should have been in that, beating yourself over this, up over this, right? But the most important thing is that you're on top of it, right? You're beginning to learn, you're beginning to become fluid in the market, understand what candles are doing and why they're doing what they're doing, right? Here comes that 4-hour top wick. So that way, next time around, you can be there. You can be there to take advantage of things when you see them play out. So that's the game. Right? This is the work. And this is the game. Yeah,
100%.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Yeah, you can't get upset just because you see a candle driving up, right? We're here to follow our edge, not to get tight about a candle driving that has nothing to do with our edge, right?
Yep.
So let's just follow the edge. This is hard work. A lot of you guys put hard-earned money into the markets, right? That's not money to just be gambling. If you were to gamble, go to Vegas, right? But since you put hard-earned money into the markets here, you got to come with an edge, with a strategy, right? So you can multiply it.
Very true. Very true. So let's see the daily now. Daily is moving back bullish here again. Very nice. Very nice. So we'll see how the 4-hour closes up shop here in a few minutes, and then we'll go from there. Take care. Brush your hair. I would have just hit TP on my swing. What will be taught in the 3-day bootcamp? What won't be taught in the 3-day bootcamp, man? We're going to talk all about this. We're going to talk all about technicals, price action, our strategy, our system, how we view the markets on a day-to-day basis, how we determine a bias, how we read price action, read candles, plan trades, risk management, trade management, all that good stuff. Mindset, mentality, fundamentals, news, FOMC, NFP, CPI, PMI. We go over it all, man. Meditations, mental framework, mindset. I mean, all jammed into 3 days. So it's a lot of value. A lot of value.
Just ask the people who were there for the first one.
Yeah, if you weren't at the first one, you have to be at the second one, man. Because obviously we're going to be better, right? When you do something multiple times, you'll most likely get better and better. We crushed it, man. These guys, Rafi and Sam, absolutely crushed the boot camp. So they're going to bring the heat. And you already know I'm going to bring the heat. When is the boot camp? The boot camp is in February, later on this month. So we'll start talking about it again. We haven't really talked much about the boot camp, but we'll begin to talk about it, over the next couple weeks here.
Yeah, I forgot it's coming up.
The next boot camp
Swift
is
Media.
If you go to our website here, timetoeattrading.com, you can come over here to boot camp and you can get a little bit more information. But the dates are going to be February 23rd through the 25th. So 23, 24, and 25 of February. We're going to begin at NY Open, and then we're going to go to about 11 a.m. Eastern every day. Yeah, you can get your ticket here, $70. And that includes the 3 days. That also includes all the recordings as well. So you guys will get the recordings and be able to study those as you please. Yeah. Yeah, we got the website coming along here. Welcome. You've got mail.
Landy, just let him learn from his own mistakes. That's the best way he's gonna learn.
Nas is gonna give a good breakout. Just wait on it. Just wait on Nas. It's gonna break out hard. Look at all this consolidation, gaining volume, gaining momentum. It's gonna do something nice here for us. I know it.
I'm just feeling it, feeling the energy.
How can we register for the bootcamp? You just have to click the link. I think you can hit TT exclamation point 3T, right? You know, shit. I think that's it. Click the link. That link should bring you to the checkout page here. Yeah, right here. Should bring you right here. So you can read all about it. If you guys can't make it, like let's say you have work on Friday, but you can only make Saturday and Sunday, that's fine. You'll have the recording of Friday, right? So you'll be able to watch it. So if you can't make it, like physically be on the call, then you'll get the recordings as well. Yeah, some people on the last bootcamp, they couldn't make it, but they got the recording. So big chillin'. How can I get a discount for the bootcamp? I like you. I like you. I always ask for a discount too, everywhere I go. Everywhere I go.
Like that.
A very, very, very wealthy man told me to do that.
Oh yeah.
Interesting, right?
You'd be surprised. More times than not, you're gonna get that discount.
Almost every time.
Yeah.
Especially if you give them a little puppy, a little puppy eyes and a smile. You know,
Yo,
ask them about their day before you ask for the discount.
Yeah, chat. We gotta be proactive in every situation, right? We can't be reactive. We gotta be proactive. We gotta take control over the situation.
Set the temperature, baby.
Asking is given, brother. Let's go.
We actually gave away a bunch of seats. We gave away about 13 seats for the boot camp. This second boot camp. So. Oh yeah, by the way, if you're at the boot camp, we're giving away $200,000 worth of challenges. Thanks to the boys up at Top One, bro. So I worked that out. So if you're in the boot camp, you gotta be like, you obviously have to have a ticket, right? So if you're attending the boot camp, whether you're there or you're not, like if you're just trying to get the recording, either way, we're giving away $200K. We're gonna give away 4 $50,000 challenge accounts at the boot camp. Maybe we'll have TK do the
life changing.
Maybe TK will do the giveaway.
Chat, 50K is life changing. For real.
Yeah.
Come on.
What about giveaway in the boot camp if we can't participate? Yeah, as long as you have a ticket, you'll be in the running. You'll be in the raffle. 70 is a really good deal. I promise you guys, 70. It should be 7,000 to join this boot camp. I'm telling you.
It will be one day, but
yeah. So get it while it's 70, but treat it as if you paid 7,000. Right? You have to treat it as if it was even though it's only $70. You gotta treat it like you paid 7 grand. Take notes, pay attention, use the information to enhance your life.
When you pay attention too.
Yep.
Right? If a lot of more people, it would be more profitable, right? With the knowledge that's given to them for free, but a lot of them aren't. So when you pay, you pay attention.
The bootcamp registration is going to be open till, and yeah, John, that's so true. You know, right? Anything that I really got value from, most times I paid to get some more information. Right? You can't be cheap. Right? You got to pay to play sometimes. Yeah. So the bootcamp, the link for the registration will probably be open till like February 20th. February 20, so you got like 20 days or so. Maybe we'll keep it open till like the 22nd, because thanks to our guys here and our team, we automated pretty much everything here. So I think we'll just shut it down on the 22nd. GJ, nothing we could do here on GJ, my man. Just gotta wait. 10 minutes here. Nothing we could do. Nas is gonna break out for us, give us a really good trade here today. And gold, we'll see 4 hours looking like it trying to close bullish. It's trying. It's trying. The giveaway for the UK residents? Yes. Yeah, of course. We'll have to give you guys a sneak peek of last boot camp, man. It was so lit. How many people are signed up for it at the moment? I have no idea, to be honest. I haven't checked. But we have unlimited seats. We're not going to be those traders who are just trying to get your money by telling you limited seats, limited spots only. We only got all this amount of time. Nah, whoever wants to come can come. I'm not going to use that as a marketing tool, right? Well, guys got to get in. There's only 6 seats left. Meanwhile, if 60 people sign up, you know that they're going to welcome them in. Only 6 seats left, bro. Oh, damn, we just did 100 sales. Let's go. Hey, guys.
Your favorite Forex.
We filled 5 of the 6 seats now. 1 more left.
Yeah.
These dudes are funny.
I hate to say it.
Better get your ticket now. Don't
Hey, y'all got 1 seat left.
1 seat left, Sandman. You gonna be there?
Acting like something.
Those landing pages, man. By the way, we need to capture your email as well. Then they come on. This is the best one. All right, y'all. So we just opened up a couple more seats to the boot camp because it was just high in demand, and we just felt like we should do something good for the community, man. So we've opened up another 20 seats. Get them now. They're gonna sell out today. I promise you. Just make sure you're there. It's like, come on. You know damn well you're taking everyone in there.
Stop the cap.
Stop the cap. That's what I say to those guys. I just go, stop the cap.
Stop the cap.
Hey guys, so we wanted to do you a solid and open up a couple more spots for just a few more people. Now listen, we're not letting you in unless you're really, really hungry. I remember this one guy, I signed up for his thing, and he was like, you know, we're only taking on the best people. And so I filled out like the little normal questionnaire. It was literally nothing to like even, no questions that would like separate someone. And I got an email back saying you've been accepted. I didn't even fill the stuff out. So how did I look good to you if I didn't even fill it out? So everyone's accepted, G.
That's facts. Big facts.
Oh, power outage. Welcome, Kelvin. Welcome, welcome. Good to have you here.
Hey, Kelvin.
Don't have to thank me. Oh yeah, by the way, they're never 70 either. They're like 700.
Yeah. This is bro. This is straight steel. Straight steel.
Oh man.
You know, that's funny.
If you purchase the Bootcamp 2.0, can you get the Bootcamp 1.0? That's a good question. I like that. I like that. Yeah, we'll let me talk to the team, but it should work out. One more special trader.
Yeah, Marcus, majority of them, definitely.
That's why we making the industry nervous.
We are, bro.
We making the industry nervous, chat.
They don't want us here.
They're like, no. There's traders showing that traders lose. How often does the boot camp happen? I don't know, man. This is our second one. So we'll see. We'll do them maybe 2 or 3 times a year.
How you doing, Alexandros? Oh yeah. That's what we say when we meet the rest of the industry. How you doing?
That's amazing, Hank. That's amazing, bro.
Yo, Chad, I want you guys to all make a promise to yourself right now that this is the plan. The only option is for you and your family is to get profitable trading, is to lock in the skill set. Make that promise to yourself. There's no plan B here. Screw the plan B. Let's go. Let's run it up.
Burn the ships,
Let's
baby.
become such a savage trader where we're making profits here. We're dominating. We're successful and we're winning and we're profitable here.
Yeah.
Do it. If not for you, do it for your family. Let's go. Let's lock it in.
Do it for me. Do it for me.
Burn the ships.
Burn them, baby.
Plan B is to make plan A work. Get it done. Let's go.
Yeah, see, I've always had the same dream, same vision. Sometimes the vehicle to get me to that point changed, but the vision never did, right? So stay steadfast, my friends. Industry watching us, yeah, you know, they are. Paid $1,100 to learn half of what you'd be teaching for 70. Yeah, and we do a lot for free. You know, we come on here every day and really just pour our hearts out. So it's a win-win no matter what. Even if you can't make the boot camp, I still have a lot of confidence that just showing up here every day, you're going to begin to get better. You're going to begin to get better. Yeah, you have to understand that half the battle is showing up. And you're either going to live with the pain of discipline in life or the pain of regret, you know, and the pain of discipline is doing the work, you know, bashing through the adversity, making the mistakes, failing forward, doing what needs to be done to get to that dream, right? That's painful, you know, life is painful, right? Life is pain. So as you continue to move through, you know, endure it, like Paul says, right? Endure it and face that difficulty, face that pain. Otherwise, you're going to, later on in life, you're going to face the pain of regret. You know, the very sad words, man. What if, right? What if I just did what I thought I could do, right? What if I did what the vision in my mind was calling me to do? And for me, you know, laying on that bed and having my last thoughts in this life, I didn't want to have thoughts, or I don't want to have thoughts of what if. So that's what pushes me out of the box, right? That's what pushes me to get uncomfortable and to go after big dreams and big goals, is because I don't ever want to sit back and say, what if, man? What if I would have started that YouTube live stream? What if? Right? But because I was scared and living in fear and had the devil holding me back, many lives wouldn't have been impacted, right? What if? So you don't want to, it's a scary thought of, you know, leaving this earth with those thoughts. What if, right? Or you can just
promise.
Burst through, right? And face the difficulties, face the uncomfortable and the unknown. And that's where faith comes in. And you can rely on faith, and faith will get you through.
Burning desire backed by faith. No such thing is impossible.
Amen.
Y'all got on. That's deep. But for
Amen.
real, make that promise to yourself and keep that promise to yourself. Unfortunately, and statistically, majority of you guys here aren't going to do that, right? But the very few of you that are chosen, step up, right?
Yeah.
Step up, make that promise to yourself, and let's get it done. Because all you need to do is believe in yourself, right? That's the one and only ingredient every successful person has in themselves, is they believe in themselves.
Yep.
So be that person. Be that person for yourself. Create. Right?
For real.
Create instead of conform.
Yeah, and if you don't
Take
believe
courage.
it, you have to ask why. Why don't you believe it? Why don't you believe you can go out there and do great things, right? Because at the end of the day, you determine who you are, and you determine who you become. You know, you can't, you know, for the, I'd say half of my life, I let other people put their beliefs on me when it comes to religion or learning or the way I viewed the world, or the way I viewed money, or the way I viewed other people, right? We are born into a world, they slap us with a number, and then we go home with these two people that we call parents, right? And these parents begin to shape our viewpoint on life. But at a certain age, you come to the conclusion that maybe you think differently. Any of you guys been there? I know I have. I've always thought, hey, I'm a little different, you know? I'm a little different. So I started going on a journey of self-discovery, right? Of self-seeking knowledge, and began to ask myself those questions. Why don't I believe this? Why do I believe that? Right? What is it? Why do I believe I can't be successful? Well, maybe because my dad growing up said, you know, those people are successful, right? Those people, but not me, you know? So maybe I didn't think I had a shot. But then I met other people who made it out the gutter, right? They made it out the mud. And that gave me hope. I would read books of stories of people who had third grade education and ended up becoming the most successful people in their time, right? Living in that time. So, you know, there's beliefs that have been thrown on us, right? Our beliefs of God and our beliefs of man and all this stuff. So you got to learn to think for yourself, right? Think.
Take control of your soil.
THINK. That means sitting down with nothing and just talking to yourself. That's it. Get to know who you are. Get to know you. You don't even know you, right? You're following a follower. Imagine that. Most people are followers, and you're following a follower because you're not thinking for yourself. So once you begin to actually think, you will begin to know who you are, know thyself, right? The Bible says, know thyself, right? The Bible says a man is what he thinks, right? So what are you thinking? Or are you being led, right? Blind leading the blind. Sure. Not good. All right.
That's brother Nick. The hardest job in the world is to think, right? That's why many people do it. So just want to end off with that.
As a man thinketh in his heart, so is he.
Yes,
right?
Sir.
That's what the word says. As a man thinketh in his heart, so is he. So you have to learn how to think, my friends. But let's get back to the charts here real quick. So 4-hour candle close. We did close bearish here. So we did come up to make that top wick. We're beginning to break the high now, right? So let's see what we got going on, what ranges we have. There's a 30-minute resistance here. There's no bottom wick on this candle just yet. We have to be careful on taking this buy because this buy could just be the top wick for the 4-hour candle to continue down and drive, right? Now, daily's bullish. 4-hour close very weak, bullish above support. We're breaking the highs. There's a case here that we could build for price to move up, but I think we do need some sort of a new support formed before we continue moving on up here on gold. GJ is back in this range. 4-hour close bearish. We got to get a top wick on that candle, so nothing there yet. And then I think we're also going to need we may need some sort of a closure here on pound yen. We definitely need a top wick, that's for sure. So nothing there yet. Nas also closed in the range but created support. So Nas is almost ready. I think Nas is gearing up. We closed bullish. If we do break those highs, there's a very high chance we'll continue up here, especially with the red numbers on the dollar here today. But we're going to need a break out of this range first. So Nas, the play on Nas should come around 9:30 here today. Yeah.
I want to see a little bit of a pullback on pound yen too for that 4-hour top wick.
Yeah, this is a crazy week, gang. A lot of red folders this week. This is the week that sets the tone here for us. So just got to be easy right now, right? Gonna tiptoe around this new 4-hour open. Not gonna get too aggressive. Just gonna probably wait for a 15 close on everything here.
Yeah. We got to keep listening to the markets. We got to keep following our technical system, keep leveling up, building our discipline and patience. Right, we're not trying to force a trade today, right? This is like a business. We need to treat it like one. We caught a beautiful juicer tomorrow, right? So yesterday, so why would we force anything, right? Let's wait for that A+ setup, and that's it.
Yep. Anything is possible. And turn off the TV. You don't need to watch TV, trust me. Ain't no PV and TV, we used to say, man. Television. That's them programming you. Off the TV, man. You want to go?
Scary.
You want to tap into the matrix? Turn on the television. Tell a lie, and give them a vision.
Yes, deep.
Right? They want to give you the vision. They don't want you to receive the vision that your creator has given you.
Yes, sir. The opposite of courage isn't cowardice, but it's conformity, right? Doing what everyone else does, doing what society does. If you do everything society does, you're just gonna end up like society, right? People want change, but don't want to change, right? They want change to happen to them, but they don't want the change, right? So do the opposite of the masses, my friends. Separate yourself.
Yes, sir.
That was the number one. That was the first thing I remember Nick ever taught me at a young age. Separation. Doing the opposite of the masses, bro. That's it.
Yep. All right, give me 1 sec. I'll be right back. Separation, Green. Separation.
Green to Green, you know what's up. Green separating himself. Yeah, Nick, go hit them push-ups, bro. Chat, if you haven't, now's the time to hit your push-ups. Get your push-ups in, get your water. Thanks, TK. Oh, yeah. TK, no problem, bro. What's up, TK? I'm drinking water. Water, brother. But Joe Stewart, that's so facts, bro. Instead of thinking negatively, what if you just think it's possible? It's possible, it's possible, it's possible, it's possible. Facts. Yes, sir, Victor. I just want to drink spring water. When I did drink purified water and tap water, I would get massive headaches. So that was straight poison. So just trying to drink spring water. Marcus. Muhammad, bro. Muhammad, I'll keep you updated, dog. Maybe happy choice. Maybe restart your Discord. I'm not sure. Make sure it's the right link. I don't know. Yeah, Victor, I definitely would suggest that you don't drink purified water or tap water because, bro, it's straight poison. Straight poison.
That's the only
Just
water you should be drinking.
do the research.
Mountain Valley, out of a glass bottle. That's it.
Yeah, bro, 100%.
Go to your local gas station, go to your supermarket. I want you to look at everything on the shelf. Everything is meant to destroy you. Go read the ingredients. Have you ever done that before? Have you ever actually went and read what they're trying to feed you? Very scary, my friends. Very, very scary.
If it's got more than like 2 ingredients, 3 ingredients, it's not good.
I'm sorry, but your Beyond Burger is beyond obnoxious, man. It's ridiculous.
Bro.
I don't care if Kim Kardashian's fake eating it, faking a bite of it. Don't bite it.
Trust me, Kim Kardashian ain't eating plant-based burgers. She's getting the real thing, I'm sure.
She said, "Give me the check. I'll fake a bite."
Yeah. Spits it out like, "All right, cut." She spits it out.
No, she didn't even take a bite. Oh, man.
Kim who? Yeah, facts. Kim who?
Kim Jong-un? What? Yeah, go read what's in the bag of chips that you think isn't so bad. Avoid yellow 5, red 40 at all costs. All seed oils as well. Avoid all of that.
Bioengineered, yep.
Best tap water is in Europe.
Stick to.
Facts. They got like clean water. I heard they got like clean water, just water fountains just on the street in Europe, right?
It's time to move to Europe.
Time to move to
Wakanda.
Wakanda.
Try to keep majority of your diet organic, whole foods.
Yeah, if you can.
If you can. And remember, dude, don't just trust us on what we're saying. Like, don't just listen to us and trust us, but actually take the information we give and test it. Get a hypothesis and conclusion, right? Test it for yourself and see if it works for you.
What's my Insta? My Insta is right here. Insta. This is my Insta. Oh, look, we just uploaded a new post here too on IG a few minutes ago too. Yeah, it's my only Instagram account, gang. So this is it. Ignore the rest of them. I apologize in advance for brokies trying to copy the page. Yeah. But yeah, we just posted yesterday's gold position. It's my family. For those of you guys that want to get to know me a little better. Got a family of three children.
Family
Goldie
of 5.
moving on up. Family of 5. Yeah, we're a squad of 5 at this point. Holy! 3 years ago, it was just me and Anna.
Things change quick.
Man, we were chilling, going out to eat all the time, doing what we want, and then boom, bang, boom, bang.
Got wicked.
My wife doesn't support trading. What do I do? Whoa, your wife must be strong.
Ooh.
Is she able to beat you up?
That's a tough one, brother.
How big is your wife?
Honestly, dog, if your wife is stopping you from accomplishing your goals, bro, I'm sorry, bro, but you may have to cut her off. Unless
Don't listen to John. He's not married yet.
Unless she can be supportive to you. But
He's
bro,
still
you
young.
don't want anyone holding you back, right? You got ambitions, you got dreams.
No,
And you're gonna let someone hold you back to level
If your
up?
wife doesn't support you, then there has to be a conversation, right? There has to be communication. If your girlfriend doesn't support you and you're young, then yeah, get rid of her. But you already married her. You've already become one, right?
That's facts.
So you gotta have conversation, man. Most couples, they don't even talk to each other. They're just roommates at this point, right? When's the last time you had a real, true conversation with your wife? Right? Me and my wife went out yesterday, took a car ride, just had a good conversation.
And I don't know the situation deeply. Like, I don't know everything about it. You know, I'm just saying, like, don't let someone hold you back from leveling up, bro, yourself. Just remember, it's either discipline or regret at the end of the day. So,
Sir, Nazi looking good though.
I'm all about great relationships, so don't get that twisted.
Don't get it twisted. My girlfriend gave me a book to write down for notes for trading. Yeah, that's awesome. Some of you guys know that my wife back when we were broke, not of the mind but of the pocket, she we couldn't really afford anything for Christmas, and it was just pointless to buy something for each other just because someone said, "Hey, this is Christmas, and what we do on this day is we spend all the money in our bank account on people who don't even care, and we just give them gifts that they're most likely going to throw in the back of their closet." But if you want to be a good person, you got to do it. So we decided not to listen to that anymore and snap out of that matrix. And when we didn't have the money, we didn't spend the money, right? So one thing she did do was she bought me a book, a bundle of black and white notebooks. And it would cost her about $5. She gifted me for Christmas. And in those 5 notebooks, I wrote the exact life that I wanted and that I wanted to live. And now I'm living it. So bingo. Sounds like a great girl.
Yes, sir. You want a girl that supports you and wants the best for you. That's it. Those are the only things I would look for in my girl.
Nick, I love you. I love you too. I love you too, bro. There you go, Ashby. That's the way to do it. That's the way to do it. Yep. Then the results come around. They go, honey, can I make you something? No, just kidding.
Not
Or,
for
you,
real.
or if you're a female trader, your husband starts coming around like, hey, you need a massage there, baby? You're like, you know what? I think I do. I think I do. I think I do. You know, with the hair twist and all that. I see y'all ladies.
I'm the boss now.
I'm the boss.
Shout out all the women traders out here. I got hella respect for you guys.
Oh, man. All right, gold is goner. GJ is awkward. Nas is setting up for a monster move here. Monster move.
And Nas gonna be the move of the day.
Grind time, Mufasa. Let's go.
Yeah, I like that. Duskio. I like that, bro. Keep that energy.
Yeah, and the reason your girlfriend probably doesn't believe in trading is probably because the way it's been presented to her. Honey, I found this way. We can make millions. It's going to happen so quickly. It's going to happen in a year. Screw my job. We're going to get this thing done, right? That's not how you want to promote things, right? It's like taking a beautiful ribeye, right? And oh my God, imagine you haven't eaten in 3 days and then I present you with this beautiful ribeye on a beautiful plate. You would be ready to tear that thing up, right? But if I gave you that same ribeye and it was on a garbage can lid with dog crap on the top of it, would it seem appetizing to me anymore? No, right? So you have to learn how to present things to people, right? And
Facts.
because the way you present it is the filter that they're going to view it through. So if you want support, you better be careful. Gotta be careful with your words.
Very true. Good point, bro.
That's a skill in itself.
Hell yeah.
Just show her the money. Yeah, or just show her a stack of hundos.
Yeah. Just got back from the bank, babe. Just hold your stack up after that big payout. Because you're a savage.
Yeah, Goldie
You're a
is
beast.
Goldie. Nas is trying to get up and going. That's not how I
This is
explained it
good
to her. I'm just messing with you. I don't know if you explained it to her.
Joe.
Wow, man, our positions on gold would have been running big time.
That news. Before I don't want to make a bottleneck. Like,
Nope. Not today,
Right.
Junior.
cool.
Yeah. Honey, you should learn too. I'll trade gold, you trade US 30. Ooh, we're gonna crush it together.
Just take my trades.
15 celery not valid on
mean-
gold. It was good. It was good. The only thing it was a very, very few minutes of the 4-hour candle. So I mean, it's tough to take a position 2 minutes into the 4-hour, especially a buy at resistance. So yeah.
Yeah, it's TK. Good point, bro. Good point. Hey, what's up, Sergio?
Sergio TT Bank Santos.
Facts. We never want to rush the process, but we want to trust it, right? We want to trust the process. Don't rush it.
Don't rush the process. Trust the process. Ooh, about to start preaching up here.
Come on, man.
Come on. Say it again. Say it again, brother. Say it again. New name for Sergio, TT Bank Santos. Nah, man, that name right there, sheesh.
A fire name.
That's a name. That's a name right there. Household name. Yeah, so Nas looking like our only option currently, but we still need a breakout here. See how all these candles are struggling to break out of this this zone right here? Once you do get a breakout here, you should be off to the races.
Sir, especially at 9:30.
Can we get it at 9:30? I need a trade, Nick. Make it happen. All right. Sell GJ. Sell stops.
Can't force anything.
Past your 100K. A W. Big dubs.
Big dubs.
Big W's. Congrats. Congratulations.
Congrats, bro. The trading just started, bro. Now it's time to get a payout.
Yes, sir. Yeah, we got NYSE coming up here in 10 minutes. No. Yeah, 10 minutes here. Let me switch the properties here. I want these a little. Yeah, I like it better like that. All right, Nazier, what you got? When you boil tap water, it becomes 100 times more toxic. Yeah, W's in the chat. Shout out to Gyro, man. Great job, man. Big W. That's a life-changing account right there. Treat it with care.
Treat it like it's your baby.
Come on, come on. Yeah, we got a bearish day here on Nas too, so if we can get a closure, which it looks like we're attempting, we got to be quick here, chat. Got to be quick on Nazier.
I was just gonna say, like, I wanted like current candle stops, but we're not probably gonna get that. It's gonna be quick.
Gold is moving up here, so we'll see what happens at this resistance level right here. This big move up, real big move up. So we'll see what happens. Still got no bottom wick on that 4-hour candle either. But this thing's goner. Gone. It's like Sam Capital at the end of the stream. Gone.
Gone.
6 minutes. I am getting a phone call. Who can this be? Give me a sec. I will be right back. Let me answer this call.
Wonder who that could be. Hey, Naz, if you could just chill right there for us, that'd be lovely. Hey, yo, shout out all 1,300 of you guys pulling up today. Appreciate y'all for pulling up. Can we give the stream a like if you guys want to catch this W on Nas. Give the stream a like. Let's get it. We here to glitch the matrix. Also, give it a like if you want to glitch the matrix as well. Patience, patience. Are you in? No, no, I'm not in. I'm in nothing. Is Nas on TradingView? Yeah, I believe. Yeah, it is. Yep. Hey, need that closure below though here. Right, we're asking the markets a question, and in 5 minutes is when the markets will answer our questions, and when they answer our questions, we need to be listening to the answer. Hey, Sergio, mod advice from the mod god, the mod king. Yeah, in yeah, facts. In P forever full. Yeah, bro, just don't even talk, bro. Don't tell anyone about your trading. Don't tell your girl, don't tell your family. Just show them the results. Lock it in, show them the profits when you get them results, bro. That might be your best bet, bro. Because when you got the results, you got the results, right? So I'm just a farmer, patiently waiting for his fruits of labor. That's it. Focused on delayed gratification. I'm focused on doing the work today to get the results later. But if it's, you know, I don't know your situation, brother, but if it's your bread, you gotta invest that, bro, right? Like, how else do you expect to multiply your money if you don't invest it, you know? So just be patient with yourself, be patient with your process. Bro, the success, the output is guaranteed, right? We gotta control the inputs. If we could, right, to get the output we want, the result we want, right? The outputs are almost guaranteed. They are guaranteed, right? You just got to be in charge and take authority and control over your inputs. Now it's starting to fill that wick now. Yeah, and don't hide it to her also, bro. Talk to her. Communication is key, bro. Let her know what's up, bro. You know, that's why I say it's important, you know, you do that before you get into the relationship, right? You talk it out, you set the boundaries beforehand, you set the plan out beforehand, so you guys know what's up. But communication is key, bro. I wouldn't hide anything from her.
All right, let's see. Can we close outside the range? Remember, this candle was all the way down here too at one point. All right, close back above. So we got to close below here. Dump it all into crypto and pray. Hey, I'm a multi-millionaire when it comes to crypto, man. It's just in crypto. Leave me alone. All my crypto boys, man. We got millions in crypto. All right, this is good. This is good. I'm going to have sell stops here, chat, on the break of the lows here on Nas. Going to keep stops on the current candle highs, wherever that is. Yeah, I'm just going to set them so they're set. And we'll see. If we break the low, we are in there. If we break the low, we are going to go hopefully downtown. Let me pull out my partial TP. Oh no, not that. Man. Alright, no partial TP. I'll do it manually. Like, why is that thing gotta pop up right on my entry line? Bruh. Alright, cool. I am in on Nas, so got into some Nasdaq sells here. On the break of these lows, 930. Stops are back in the range here. TP is going to be down here towards 17,130. Going to look to take partials right around this zone right here. I don't know how many pips that is. I don't care. That's what the market's telling me to do, so that's what I will do. That's going to be about 30 points there. So that's what I'm going to be looking at. That's my trade here, and we'll see if it plays out. Yeah.
Let's see.
Maybe it will, maybe it won't.
We
But it's
accept
a pretty good position. Finally got a breakout. We should continue driving down. We got volume coming in, so. And then what else we got? Gold, nothing. Yeah, just Nas for right now. Let me make sure my stops are in the right spot. I'm gonna have my stops sitting like right up here. Yeah. Probably gonna retest this zone and then potentially continue moving down. So that is the trade. That is the trade. Can we get faked out? We can. We can get faked out here.
Of course.
But it's part of the game. Part of the game. We just gotta execute on our edge. That's all.
Part of the game.
Let's check pound yen here. Just continuing down, and gold did close above, but we may get a resistance here. If we do, then there should be another move back down. Yeah, Nas super volatile here.
Very.
Super volatile. Just how we like it. Dun, 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 dun. NYSE is sus. Yeah. Sussy. Yep, we could lose this trade too here, right? We could win or we could lose. There's two options. Maybe a break even.
Yep, gotta accept the loss beforehand, right? Before you take the trade.
Yep. Let me draw a zone here as well. Cool. So that's the trade. We've been waiting for a little breakout. We got it. We'll see if we can continue down. 4 hour looks good to continue down as well. Quakers are quiet. Yeah, once we hit, if we hit stops, that's when they jump out. Right now they're in the trade. Hopefully we win. Hopefully we win. Hopefully we win.
Right now they're like holding their breath. Like, take a deep breath.
Yeah, I'm not risking anything too crazy here on Nas. Still going half risk here. So
Size.
gold did close above, but it's a little too overextended for me at this point.
And we got a bunch.
Yeah. Oh, we're gonna come up to stops here. Hold on, let's see. We may get stopped here on Nasdaq. Will we respect that? Yes. Ooh, yes, I did get stopped. All right, I think I lost 0.5% there. Yeah, about 0.5%. Oh, not even. 0.6%. So Nazi faked us back into the range here. Nazi faked us.
Our pack.
Yeah, gotta take that trade though. 1 hour bearish, 30 closure, 9:30. 4 hour broke the lows there. So yeah, back in the range we go. Nasty Nas.
Nasty Nas. Gotta earn our size for that, bro.
Yeah.
Still.
Here comes the Quaker. He's an honest guy, but not a good trader. Just look at the lifetime record. That's it. Just look at the lifetime record.
Yeah, bro.
Quaker's
Results
gonna
speak
quake.
for themselves.
Quaker's gonna quake. Yeah, but
Yeah,
that's why I
SW.
go half risk on Nas, because still learning the pair, right? Still getting familiar with it, learning it. I think previous candle stops were a bit too high. Yeah, they were like 60 pips, so you know, not the best stop there. So yeah, the way that we give this trade a second chance is that if we close like weak bullish, you know, like celery play, then that's the only way we really give this a second chance. It would have to be below this 17,207 on the 15-minute. Yeah. Unleash the
facts,
Quakers. Didn't stop you out yet? Oh, nice. Yeah, I guess we could have maybe had it above the 15 highs there. I didn't notice that 15 high. Can you explain the celery play? Yeah, the celery play is if this candle right here closes bullish, but it closes below this main area of support, most likely when the next candle breaks the lows there, it will continue driving down. But if this candle closes bullish here back in the range, then what's going to happen is you'll most likely see a move back in this consolidation zone like that. Yeah. 0.6, that's a break even. Yeah, break even trade.
But pretty much, I mean, think about it.
Uh-oh. Quaker shaker.
Quaker oats.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
MJ.
On to the next. Let's mark that up. Let's mark it up. Yeah, see, it's respecting this 15 high here. So as long as you respect that high, you should be good to continue down. Yeah, let me see where my stops were on that 15. Yeah, I probably could have set my stops a little bit higher there. I think that would have been much better. Name of the setup on Nas. Nas was a 30-minute breakout. So let's mark that up real quick. 30-minute breakout. It's good that we get the L out of the way here. First
Nice.
First day. Time 9:30. And this should continue to work out if we respect that 15 low, by the way. Today is what's today? 2/1/24.
2-1. Yep.
2/1/21.
Thursday, first of the month.
Oh, we
Yes,
got
sir,
add
2-1.
Nas here on this. Alright, cool.
And I'm gonna say this forever needs to hear this, but you know, don't let a loss ruin your whole day, right? If you're like me and you got the morning time here, the day just started, right? So just enjoy every single part of your process of your journey and enjoy life, man, because you only live once. So
YOLO.
enjoy everything.
Yeah. Yeah, I want to see if this respects the high here. Can we respect the high?
We'll see. Yeah, honestly, when we gotta start looking for the 15 minutes when we're looking for current candle stops.
Yep, that's
Do
the
it to
lesson
lower
in this
time
trade.
frame. Exactly. There you go.
If this trade continues running, the lesson here today was should have been using the previous 15 highs. That would be the lesson. Oh damn, 12:40 a.m. Sheesh. Yeah, the only logical way to take another position here is you have to wait on the 15 close. Yeah, you have to wait on the 15.
There's always a lesson.
If we close bullish back in the range though, then there's no trade here for me. No second chance. And then gold just running up here. Just running. Yeah, we were also bearish on the day, right? So yeah, we were trying to see if we can anticipate a closure below here for the daily candle to begin moving down. Right? Moving down. Still holding? Nice. Nice, nice. How do the lots compare on Nas? I'm just using Nas as a just pretty much percentage based. So just risking like a little bit less than 1% per trade. So it does this one opened, I don't know why it says 40 there. That wasn't an actual 40 lot. So I'm still not sure how it all works.
Yeah, I have no idea.
Maybe someone in the chat who's been trading Nas a little longer can help us. I should have traded gold. Well, of course, right? We look at gold and we go, man, we should have gotten gold buys. We did have buy stops on gold right here, but deleted them a few minutes before the news. Four lots. Okay, so 40 lots or 4 lots. Got it. So yeah, I basically had a 4 lot open. Yeah, gold juicing, man. Gold's been juicing on the open of the 4 hour here, just non-stop.
For real. And then pound yen's just a straight bleeder.
And I'm hoping Nas is a winner here for the rest of you guys who have your stops sitting above here. Why not wait for the 30-minute candle? Because it was 9:30, high time of volume, very, very high time of volume. Remember I said going in, we're going to be quick, right? We're going to be quick because the last few 9:30s, we made a very quick top wick, boom, straight down. So this time this didn't work out. Oh, oh, oh. Don't do it. Don't do it to him. And we'll see how gold closes up shop here in just a few minutes. This is a pretty important area on the 30-minute time frame. So haven't done much yet here at 9:30. So we'll see how we close up here at 9:30.
Oh, we got 10 a.m. news, correct? Yeah, I think so.
Got to remember gold goes against USD. Oh yeah, we do remember. But you got to remember that we have a system, right, that calls for specific entry types and setup types, right? So we had that earlier on, but as news came out, we took those buy stops out because we don't trade news, right? And that's where price took off on us. So other than that, we obviously knew gold would run up with the red numbers, but still got to have an entry. Can't just randomly click buy, you know. You got to have a solid concrete setup and entry to go with it. At least we do. At least we do. Or I do.
Yes, sir. You set a plan, bro, and you follow it. That's the best thing you can do.
Holy gold jumping. Nazier. Oh yeah, you see Nas closed above. So there's two options here, right? You can close half or you can just let it rock, and if this candle now closes below, then there should be a good move back down, but we did close back in the range. Therefore we should continue up and probably retest the highs here. Don't look at Nas no more.
Nah.
Big 30
Nas
closure.
gonna be great for us this year.
Yep. Goldie working to get fixed in for NFP. Yeah, back up. See how we came back up now? Way back into this area. Daily candle retested that previous zone that it left, and now driving up.
Yeah, I smell a pullback on Goldie.
Oh, thank you, ESGN. Yeah, we're still learning NAS, right? So we're still learning NAS. This is our first year trading NAS, our first month trading NAS, so still getting familiar. We did sample size it for 6 months, so we understand how it typically likes to trade, but now we're actually trading it, right? So yeah, just wait on it. Just wait on it. Yeah, 15 highs did get respected there. Lovely, lovely. Looks like it's coming back down here. If we closed below the range, I would be interested in giving this trade a second chance, but we did not close below the range.
Yeah.
Nas a monster. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I'm feeling really good about Nas joining our watch list here. Yeah, let's just watch it now. Let's watch it drive down.
Okay,
Go. all you other guys are still in, right? 15 highs, my 15 highs, guys. So yeah, if we break that low again, which is coming back towards entry point, then you should drive down. But I'm not gonna take a second trade here because the candle closed back in the range. Oh, let's revenge trade.
Hell no.
Okay,
That's a deep hole.
Cool,
Go down.
cool. A lot of you guys are still in. Yeah. Yeah, the candle closing back in the range, you know, just doesn't give me any confirmation now. But based off this 30-minute, we're still rocking and rolling here, right? 30 closed below. This is still a part of your 30-minute breakout. Valid stop. The most valid stops are above the 30-minute highs, obviously. They were just a little bit too steep for me here today. So used high stops back in the range. Maybe could have adjusted it for the 15, but didn't. So yeah, you got to take the lesson and run with it. But yeah, typically in a trade like this, the most valid stops are obviously going to be right above the highs here. Yeah. You're in a short on gold. Oh baby, Goldie. Gold coming down here. Down 10. Can we come down, gold?
Gold wants to pull back. Lean back.
Close 70 when it came back to B. Yeah, that's not a bad idea, especially like I said with that 15 closing back in the range. Now your next step is the 30, right? So if the 30 closes back in the range, then you're most likely going to continue ranging. But if the 30 closes below, then that's when I could potentially have another shot at giving this a second chance. But for now, nothing I could do here.
News in 9 minutes.
Sell gold. Sell gold. Do you think about trading US 30? So US 30, so in 2023, I spent the entire year seeking out a new pair, right? Because GJ was beginning to not do what it used to do. So for the first 6 months of 2023, we sample sized and studied US 30 and just didn't feel right for me. So I believe in June we began to look towards Nasdaq, right? Nas100, and it just seemed to flow better for what I was looking for. So we left US 30 on the side and decided to go all in on Nas. Oh, how low can she go? Come on, I want my other guys to. I'm rooting for you guys in this trade too here.
Let's go. Drive for the boys. Drive for the people in this trade.
If the 30 or 15 closes below here too, that's another good sign. Go, do it for him. Do it for him.
Move for the people.
US 30 is a wild beast. US 30, I didn't like the fact that it really didn't provide the best wicks, right? A lot of our strategy and system has to do with these lovely things we call wicks. So there were really no wicks, man. No wicks. Do it for the people. Come on, Nat. Do it for the people.
Do it for the ladies and gents out here. Come on.
Am I talking to candles again? Hey, we were talking to gold yesterday. Come on, Goldie, come on.
We always talking to gold, bro. It's conversations.
Yeah, on that trade, let me pull up the Discord. Yeah, on that trade, I lost, yeah, 0.7%. So less than 1%. Not bad at all.
You chilling?
Not bad. Gold not looking like it wants to go down here. The 5 is tricking you. Blow on the candle. Let's get a whistle. There you go, TK. Smart. Practicing on not getting happy or sad during trades.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
if
Good
you're not
job.
over risking, you're so chilling. That's what a lot of people. That's what I didn't get in the beginning because I was trying to rush the process instead of trusting the process. You know, so I was opening up big lot sizes, very over risk, and just struggling right in the trade. So when you're not over risking, it's a totally different experience.
Agreed.
Sweating. Sweat. Your neck muscles start tensing up. Start sweating. Sweat dripping down the back of your neck.
You gotta like take a shower just because you like took a trade.
Why no gold buys? Just because I don't like buying when it's way too overextended like that. All right, can we re-break the lows here for the peeps? Can we do it? Can we do it? Let's go, gang. I'm rooting for you. You break that low, you should see a push down. Should see a push. No reason to re-break the low and not go down. There it goes. There's the break of the low. Can we see a push? Can we see a push with 2 minutes left in this candle? There it is. Keep going. Oh, wow. Hey, chat, by the way, this is our 1 year anniversary. Yeah, for the live stream. That's right. February 1st. Yeah. Thanks, Amanda, for reminding me. That is true. Yeah, 1 year ago, we set out to display true transparency and set expectations properly as traders begin their journey. And here we are 12 months later, 31,000 subs, hundreds and hundreds of lives impacted, thousands tune in every day. Wow. God is a promise keeper, my friends. What if? Thank God I didn't have to sit here today saying, what if we started the channel that day, right? What if? Well, how selfish would that have been of me? Beautiful. You're getting a run here now on Nas. Lovely.
Nice.
Wow. Got a trade.
Happy anniversary. Got a trade. Shout out, got a trade. Up, got a trade.
That's crazy. Yeah, I forgot all about that. Damn. 1 year today. You guys want to see a clip of the first live stream? While we wait on this Nazier and Goldie. Goldie may get a resistance, but you can't sell, gang, until you have a resistance. GJ struggling there. Yeah, happy birthday. Time to eat. Not me, the channel.
Happy birthday.
Right? We really do this, gang. We really do it. We do it every single day. Every single day. Look how many live streams we've done. Look at this. Look at this. We do this, man. We do it.
Done a bunch.
Wow. Yeah, man. Holy. Holy. Man, the first live stream, you guys... Oh, man. 42 likes. 820 views here. What a journey, bro. Oh, wow. Someone commented. What a journey, bro. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Look at the chat. Not even moving. I had to make questions up. Hey, what's support and resistance? Yeah, no problem. Hey, little Maverick. There he is. Maverick made a guest appearance on the first live stream. Should we get Kingston on the live stream?
He's got to make an guest appearance.
Wow, man. Oh, man. I don't want to go all the way back. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. Many, many live streams here, gang. We've taken, how many trades together? 119 or something? 119 wins and about 40 losses. 13 break evens. Yeah. Wow. Sheesh. Oh, sell stops. Holy.
Hey, Snash, a drive for y'all.
Hey, look, we're still doing the same thing.
He took those sells and took a win with us.
Oh, W. W. Oh, look at that. Target tap there, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations to everyone who held on to Nazier. Beautiful move. Tapped partials, and you should have closed some of your position there.
Good stuff.
W. It got away from me. Just nipped me out there. 15 highs with a play there. So that's my lesson here of the day. Is that my lesson is I should have had my stop sitting not just back in the range in a random spot, but more so above the 15 high there. So I will note that, and I will be better next time. The people want one. Kingston's pulling up today. 24-hour stream coming? Oh, late. Only if green shows up. Oh, wow, look at gold. Gold did close bearish. Yeah, we got news that came out here. Let's take a look. If everything's going down, we probably have green. Yeah, we do have green numbers here. So green numbers here for PMI. That should retrace gold. So unfortunately, we're not going to obviously participate in this, but gold and Nas should both continue traveling down here. Still a good trade? Yeah, that was a great trade. Great trade. Yep. Yeah, I'm actually very happy with that trade. The fact, remember, I don't care whether the trade wins or loses. What I care about is following the edge, and the probability is whatever. But you know, if I could find a lesson, it would be that lesson right there with the stops today. So W for me, because you know, I didn't lose much, and I learned a good lesson, and I got to experience another trade in Nas, and yeah, overall, great trade. Green.
There.
Green, you showing up? I need Green on Zoom for 24 hours straight.
Bro, that would be lit. Come on, Green.
He would never. We cannot
Russ.
We cannot expose Green's identity. Why are you talking like Raja? I don't know. I probably just do it naturally now because I've spent hundreds of hours watching him. He's been my mentor here in the candlestick price action trade game, and that is a compliment. If you think I sound like Raja, that's good news for me because I want to sound like Raja. Nothing. Holy.
Good day today.
Fire.
You gonna end the stream soon?
What time is it? 10. We'll see. start flexing and be like, yeah, big guns.
Big guns.
Heard this dude talking about, why do you exercise? He was like, what? That boy be flexing.
Yeah, that's too funny.
Yeah. I want Raja's bank account. Yeah. Did you guys skate out of that Nazi air trade when we tapped those that target there? I hope you guys did. Because you never know, right? That was the advantage point. Holy. Yeah, I've been I remember these guys I used to trade with. They used to be like, yo, bro, you're obsessed with Raja, bro. I'm like, yeah, and you keep strategy hopping. Damn right I'm obsessed with this dude.
Yeah, facts.
Trying to learn that man's ways.
Facts, bro.
You guys closed? Beautiful, beautiful. You're welcome.
What's
Yeah,
up?
no problem. You don't have to say thank. You don't have to thank me. Took full profit. Great job, Amanda. W for Amanda, reminding us about our birthday here today. Yeah, I honestly,
Facts, TK.
I would have completely forgot. Actually, not forgot. I didn't even remember.
Bro, I honestly thought we started like the second week of February or something.
We were scheduled to begin on the 6th day of February, but we decided to get a couple days ahead so we can kind of like test OBS. That was my first time using all this stuff here, so.
Yeah, that's what it was, because I remember you saying that to me. But yeah, word.
Yeah. I'm obsessed with learning from people that are where I want to be. Exactly. Yes, sir, TK. Hey, I'm doing a little top golf here today. I think I'm bringing John with me, right? You coming?
Yes, sir.
We're doing a little top golf with Austin Silver and Mr. Clay from Top One Trader this afternoon. Should be fun.
Should be real fun, bro.
We'll have to celebrate the TTE birthday with them.
Facts. Gonna have great conversation. It's gonna be awesome.
Great job, PM Magnifico. Beautiful work.
Great job. Dubs. Let's get it.
Oh, you share your birthday with TTE? Who is that? Where'd the comment go? It just vanished. Dang, where'd it go?
Great day today. I think that's gonna do it for me.
Bob.
Nick.
All right, brother.
So
I'll see you for Top
there
Golf
today.
later.
Sir, bro, for sure. Yeah, bro. I'll talk to you later. Have a blessed day. Chat.
Love you, G.
Zoomers. Have a great day. Stay blessed. I love you too, brother. You're the man. I'll talk to you guys later.
All right, son.
All right, peace.
Later, G.
Peace, peace. Stay blessed, y'all.
Peace. Share. Oh, Bob. Yeah, Bob. Happy birthday, Bob. You guys ever forget someone's name? You're like, you try to make an excuse, like, as if you didn't forget it. You're like, so how do you spell your first name again? Oh, that's right. B-O-B. Yes, that's right. That's right. Another great stream. Yeah, good stream here today. See, the wins or the losses don't make it a good or a bad stream, right? This was an absolute W stream. We talked about a lot of great things. We planned this move. This move happened. We learned I learned a lesson. You know, I got to learn something here today. Gold, we had buy stops. Could have been we could have taken all this here today, right? But we decided to follow our plan strictly and let the news play out, not be in it for the news. But we obviously knew the direction of where price wanted to go. And I mean, look at this, right? This was our target, and this is where we stutter at here. So we're all over it, gang. We're all over it. Nas, what the heck? What the heck, man? Gold 2 back up. Mixed news here today, all day. George VDM. Z Gamer's in the house. What up, Z Gamer? Did I miss you before? I think I missed you. planned every month. Yeah, it's crazy, right? Yeah, we planned all this out, right? So just know that you guys are on top of price action, right? We're learning, we're growing, we're all becoming better together, right? Never once have I told you guys I'm a, you know, super duper zero loss, 100% win rate trader, right? We're still learning, we're still growing, and we're doing it together, which is good. Some of you guys just, I may be down the road a little bit further, have a little bit more experience. Some of you guys may have more experience than me, right? So just a regular guy on the live streams, trading in front of you all and seeing if we can make an impact, which I think we are doing. So that's pretty good. Glory to the Father or what? Oh, coming back up here now. See, funky price action too with breaking lows and breaking highs. I learned my lesson on trading news, took a big L badly. Yeah, you know, that's the way news goes. It's either I just made more money than I ever even knew was possible in my life, or I blew my account, right? So it becomes a 50-50, right? And I don't care about making more money than I ever have in my life. What I do care about is losing my capital, right? So I care more about that than you know, the other side. So I'm always gonna follow the plan and preserve capital. Could have went one way or another here today. Wickless. Isn't it funny that my name with the W is Wick? It's Wick. What's the link to Magic Keys? All the links are in the description, brother. Yes, you can use it with top one. Yep, I use it with top one. Oh, there you go. There's the link to Magic Keys. Yeah, gang. So if you guys have been holding off on getting challenges, probably a smart idea. After this week is the week you want to turn it up. If you haven't opened a trade on your challenge yet, don't worry about it. This is a very rough week here, right? This is red folder, a sea of red folders coming out this week, and this will most likely give us the push we need to continue on with some momentum here this year. So. Yeah, so if you haven't really traded much, don't even worry about it. A few of my buddies are going to be getting into the markets here next week, right? They wait for FOMC to go, they wait for NFP to go, and then they get rolling, right? They let January blow by, and then they get cooking. I probably would have done the same had we not been live streaming, but I don't mind it, right? I don't mind coming up here and trading. Yep, you gotta learn as you go. What up, Jai Trader? Good to see you here. Good morning. Yeah, still morning time. Good morning. Yep. I was saying on my story today too, it's like if you didn't have the best January, or if you kind of fell off track a little bit, don't worry about it. You know, don't let 1 month ruin the next 11. Right? You still got 11 months ahead of you. Just take that inventory of where you fell off or what happened and make the correction, right? Just make the adjustment that you have to make and get back on the road. Gold is going to go up. Many to come. Many W's to come this year. Yeah, that's right, Grant. All right, the Don. See you later. See you tomorrow for Freaky Friday. Tomorrow's going to be Full Margin Friday on NFP. Don't miss it. And next week we may have some more giveaways. Yeah. What up, AB Mike? AB Mike in the house. What's good, brother? Everything is up, my friend. Stay safe. It's Friday. Stay safe. Let's see here. Yeah, we might call it here. You guys got any more questions, comments, concerns? Any thoughts before we get going? Should we give away a 50K challenge before we leave? Yeah, yeah, we should. Yeah, maybe tomorrow, maybe Monday, maybe Tuesday. I think I heard something about Monday or Tuesday next week. How many percentage of risk when you say full margin? 100% risk, but I'm just kidding. I am just kidding. That is the old Nick Stewart. That guy is no longer here. Yeah, I think we'll call it here. I think we'll call it. We're back in the range. We got a big red folder coming in tomorrow. You may range a little bit. That may have been your only push, and we were right on it. You know, we had the idea there. We were right on top of it. Gold, we knew gold would run up here. That's not a surprise either. And GJ just hasn't really done much since this closure here at 9. So I think that's it, man. I think that's it. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I hope it's a blessed one. And I hope you guys don't overtrade or over risk. It is TTE's birthday. So yeah, man. Happy B-Day, TTE. 1 year ago today, we began the live streams, and just the results just blew me away, you know, on the way you guys have received the stream, the way you guys have received the information, and you know, some of the wisdom that I feel has just been spoken through me, right? I'm not that great, but I just follow great leaders, and that's probably why this thing kind of popped off here. So yeah, what a good birthday for TTE. No, didn't really think we'd be anywhere near 31,000 subs. I thought we'd be more so like 10K subs maybe, but we'll take it. We'll take it. TT to the moon from here. Yes, sir. Someone's using your name in Discord. Yeah, I'm very well aware. Just I won't message you guys on Discord. This is my only Instagram account right here, so don't be fooled by the scammers. They seem to be coming out more and more lately, so I will never hit you up. I do not accept Bitcoin as payment. I do not have a super duper copy trader with a 100% win rate that I'm only offering to you and you alone. So none of those pages are me, okay? Cool. Yeah, don't get scammed, man. It's 2024. We shouldn't be getting scammed online anymore. If you're gonna pay someone money, man, get them on a video call, right? At least do that. At least get a voice message. At least get a voice message. This year we go to 50K subs. Yes, sir. I believe it. 50K, 60K, maybe even 100K. We'll see. But yeah, I'm out of here, gang. Love y'all. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Good job today. And we'll be back at it same time, same place tomorrow. So I will see you guys then. Big blessings to you.